Hey, welcome back to another live stream. How we all doing? Good to see everybody coming back. AMC looking strong. We are up 10% on the day. We had a 10% day yesterday. We're looking like we could have a 10% day today too. SPY's just been kind of slowly kind of making its way over here. It's kind of flattened out for a little while. I'm still in the Neos. I mean, probably should have kept those microns, right? Microns ripping. Whoops. Um, so GME is up about 4% right now. AMC's up 10, 1809. Everything's looking good across the board. We did apparently get that confirmation from Ortex that they are listing the utilization at 100%. So they're saying it's real. So we'll see what happens over the next couple of days, maybe even the next couple of hours with cost to borrow, but nothing too crazy is going on with it right now on AMC and GME. So something weird's going on. I think there could be a glitch still going on somewhere, but we'll have to see what happens. How you guys doing? CFVI rug pull. Did they rug it just now? CFVI. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Oh, SCV, I'm right here, guys. I'm right here. Sends in a bull flag when needs to break out. Yeah, Sens has not done anything recently. It's just kind of flickering around here. So Amy right now just kind of chilling. SPY, what is this doing here? SPY, what do you got going on? A little bit of a candle over here. Still in the Neos. Let's see what happens with those going into close. Neo literally has done zero for a lot of the day today. So I'm still waiting for that break of the high of 26.24. If that happens, that'd be pretty sweet. Up 23% on BBIG calls. Is it going again? I thought it was selling off. Oh, there it goes. There comes BBIG coming back up to hopefully 350. That'd be pretty sweet. Amy, 18 flat right now. SPY getting a little bit of action over here. What's Activision doing? Activision, nothing really. Trying to bounce off this 25 MA right here. And then back over to Neo real quick. Neo looking all right. And then BBIG looks like it's getting a little jumpy over here for you guys. Here it comes. Oh, might get a little 5-minute MACD cross over here, which would be pretty sweet. SPY did not. SPY's crossing back to the downside now. What's Spot doing? Spot might be, unless there was some Rogan news. Ooh, Spotify. Look at this cross right here at around 168 all the way up to 174 to the high. That's a dirty 1348 right here. Woo! LMND is running. Yeah, call sweeps on that one. Careful with that. It's just a call sweep notice. I saw that. LMND. There were a bunch of call sweeps that came through and it's starting to rip. Oh, maybe that's why. So you got a little cross here right around 28, goes up to 30. That's still another dirty one. So there are winners and losers today with this. Let's see. Yeah. Also for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. You guys absolutely crushed it today. Thank you guys so much. We went wild in the morning stream. SCB Rogan declined the offer. Oh boy. Oh, Rumble. Uh-oh. You got that little pop, lock, and drop on Rumble. That's not good. That's not good for them. What was the conclusion with the utilization numbers? Ortex said it's real. So I guess that's what we're going to have to go with now. SPY trying to make a little move here. Where's Neo and all the other EVs? So Neo, man, 2616 to 2618. Freaking do something. Lucid, what's going on with Lucid and Rivian? Lucid's coming back to life over here. Rivian, what's going on with this beast? Rivian's looking all right. To Amy, 1803, looking solid. T1 settlement get voted on. Yeah, they voted to propose that one. So the comment period is going to come out. Microvision and VIS. We're getting crosses over here. Again, guys, coming into the end of the day, you guys see crosses happening? Call them out. Microvision up 10.97 today. AMC's up 9.77. GME right now, 4.13%. I hate Hester Burst. She's not great. 21 for the win. There we go. Dude, Hester Burst wouldn't even vote to increase her own salary. She'd be like, no, not going to happen. It's crazy. Neo. Just run, bro. What are we doing with this nonsense over here? All right, let's see what we get going into the end of the day. Activision, what's it looking like here? ATVI, bouncing a little. I need more about my Mara swings are up over 100% so far. Ryan, at a freaking boy. That's what we like to see. So this is the Ortex statement that they came out with. So AMC and GME short interest utilization update. Utilization in both AMC and GME hits 100% as security lending activity is increased. So that might be why we're seeing the utilization just skyrocket. There's security lending volume. I don't know how they're getting these numbers, but it wouldn't make sense according to the numbers that we typically look at. But with what Ortex is saying here, I mean, what we saw yesterday, I mean, that's kind of the explanation for it. So then below it says utilization of 100% means that at the start of trading this morning, all available shares were lent. According to all of the people that Ortex is reporting from. There's also there's going to be more uh brokers that Ortex doesn't have access to that data. They have 85%. There's another 15% out there. More shares are constantly being made available, and live cost to borrow data indicates these shares are being lent at a much higher rate today than in recent days. It's not though. That's the weird thing. It's not indicating that. AMC's, it's not that much higher than it's been. 1.3, 1.8. That's about what it's been for a while. AMC is at 18 flat. SPY's trying to make a little bit of a move here. Activision, I mean, I think ATVI can just go whoop right up, especially at some point this week. So I'm going to hold on to those. Neo, what are we looking at over here? Still at the same spot. On UW. What's UW? And all puts, be careful. What's UW, the new guy? Oxy? What's up with Oxy? Oxy crossed down. Yeah, still above the 200 though. What's oil at right now? Oh, ooh, oil coming down. Interesting. Do you see AMC and GME selling off because of the CPI tomorrow? Well, it depends on what happens with the market. What happened is they got caught. Now they're trying to cover their tracks. I don't know. Maybe it's just for Ortex. It doesn't. The only thing, utilization in general doesn't matter. That specific number does not matter at all. It matters of the effect of having high utilization is what matters. If you have higher utilization, you will see higher cost to borrow. But you can have lower utilization and higher cost to borrow. So it doesn't really matter. So if we have high utilization, yeah, it's great. But I want to see that high cost to borrow start to come in, which we haven't really seen yet. I mean, we've seen it step up a little bit on GME. And we've gone over like how important that is to see that. Like the cost of borrow really starting to step up. We just need to start to see it go. Neo looks like it just wants to go rip town soon. So we're seeing a curl in the MACD here. Hopefully it gets a little jumpy. I would love to hit a nice little Neo play over here. Exchange reported short interest updated on Ortex. Oh boy, hold your horses, people. Oh, people, look at this. I missed this. My name isn't Justin Frozen Peas and Meat Juice. This is really, really good. Okay. So the release date was today. The settlement date, January 31st. The shares short, 107 million. 21.01% of the estimated of the free float was shorted. Now, when we scroll down a little bit, okay. This is okay. I don't know what the hell's going on here, but this one, where's the 24? This one. This is, I don't see a number. This is all-time high short interest on AMC. All-time high. 107 million shares sold short. I don't see anything ever higher than this, going all the way back to 2019. Nothing higher than this. 102, 107. This is wild. Hold on, I'm tweeting this out. That is crazy. That is wildness over there. Are you kidding me? GME, we'll check GME here too. GME's is probably going to be really high. So let's see what's happened with this over here. If it's over 18%, it's going to be dirty. Okay, it's close. So they reported at 17.59% with 11 million shares sold short. And now they're estimating about 13.75 million. So what was the January 31st? Where's the estimated short interest as a estimated short interest right here? January 31st. Where is this? January 4th, 24th, 31st. What were they estimating? 11.84. So Ortex slightly overestimated GameStop's. So in my opinion, we shouldn't see that big of a change on GME's Ortex. Let's go back to AMC and see what they were estimating. On January 31st, 107.8. Let's see. Estimated. Wait. Okay, right here. It should be right this one. No, it's back up here. What were we estimating? 108.36. So about a million difference. So we could see a little bit of like messing around with the data tomorrow, but it's still very, 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 very high. That is ridiculous. That is crazy. So Yeah, trade showed March 21, 49%. We can look at that. Let's see. Estimated. Where's estimated? Estimated right here. It shoots up here, like 38. What do you call it? But the number isn't that high. The actual shares sold short, it's not that high. Estimated short interest, 69 million. And then we come over here. It only really matters what the actual shares are, in my opinion. This one's 79 million right around here. So this is some weird glitch, I think. These 49 and the 38% or whatever those numbers are, some sort of weird glitch going on over there with what Ortex is representing as the percentages, but the number, the actual amount of shares is the highest we've ever seen it in the stock. Mm-mm-mm-mm. We get probs, the best technical news we've had in ages, and YouTubers spend the day poo-pooing it. What happened, Long Jericho? What happened? Da, da, da. Who is poo-pooing what? AMC going to cross down on 1348? Nah, it's got a long way to go if it wants to do that. Spy's just kind of hanging out right here. Where's Neo? 26. This fucking thing. Where's Activision? Shitting. EA going to cross to the downside. 120% on BBIG snipes. There you go. Where are all the likes? I don't know, guys. I don't know. GM crossing down. Yeah, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on your way in, just helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Let's see. All right. Let's see. We over here. Activision. The new guy. Thank you so much for the super. Unusual whales, all puts for SPY. Be careful to not get caught. Interesting. So unusual whales, I don't use it. I don't use options flow like that because sometimes if you see a bunch of people buying puts and the puts are bought, the market makers are going to be like, screw you and send it up. That's the issue. The new guy with some of the, especially on SPY, if you see like abnormal put buying, the market makers are going to be like, we don't want these running in the money. And then they just go. Utilization hitting 100% all day. It's been a glitch, not correct. Right, Long, because it doesn't make any sense as to why it went up that high. You poo-pooed in Kansas. We know why BW Buffalo Wild Wings had to call Ken Griffin. You playing Disney earnings? Maybe. Death's Touch, thank you so much for the super. Thanks for the info on 1348. Up 80% on DraftKings. More to come. There we go. Yeah, let me put the link to the free section of the Discord in the chat. You guys are crushing it with 1348. I'm really happy for all of you guys. So this is the link to the free part of the Discord. You guys can join premium if you want. You don't have to. Just seriously, just learn the strategy and make money with it. If you want to turbocharge it after, cool. Get premium. You'll see all of the alerts going through on 300 stocks in the market. Awesome. That's great. You can get the premium if you want, but just learn the strategy. And everybody is in here just using it and really, really crushing with it. So Spy's trying to make a little move here. Where's Neo? Coming back to life a little bit here. We got AMC 1797. Spy trying to make a little bit of a move. I think we could see a test of the upper end of this range by close. CFVI tanked. Yeah. Average days on loan for AMC, please. Let's see. Average days on loan. This one. What is it here? 69 average days on loan. Neo being a little a-hole. Netflix moving up some. Interesting. Let's see. I've told so many people about 1348. Hopefully you're seeing a boost in subscribers. It's fine. Like we're gonna, like, the people that want to join the premium are gonna join the premium. Like that's perfectly fine. We just want people to learn about it. We just have that tool there for everybody to just turbocharge it and see the market from a wider perspective. And it works, man. Yeah, Long Jericho. I still think it's glitching. On the 100% short utilization, because it doesn't make any sense. Shares on loan went down and cost of borrow stayed the same, because utilization doesn't matter. The utilization actually does not matter. It's what the effect of utilization is. There, and again, Long Jericho, Ortex is wrong in what they're saying in the second tweet. They're saying the cost to borrow is stepping up significantly, and it's not. We've seen it. I've tracked the GME cost to borrow and AMC cost to borrow for the longest time. This 1.3% average cost to borrow is not abnormal. No. I know they tweeted. I understand that they tweeted. We've gone over this many, many times. This tweet right here. So they say the cost to borrow is increasing rapidly, especially in GameStop. Not specifically today. It has been going up. It's at 11%. What's at 11%? Like, I easily could be wrong, but what are they saying here? What's at 11? Nothing's at 11%. AMC is currently up 11% in terms of the stock, not the cost to borrow. So what we really need to see, and the one thing that actually makes so much, so the cost to borrow info is correct and utilization is wrong. It could be, or the cost to borrow info is incorrect or utilization is wrong. One of those data points is wrong because you can't have both of them do that. Why would you ever? You have to have scarcity. So think about this. I have what a share. I have. Let's say I have 100 shares that I want to loan out. And the demand is for 150 shares. So I have 100. There's only 100, but people want 150. There's going to be a bidding war for how much essentially how much they want to pay on a cost to borrow those shares. The highest bidder is going to get it. So when there's no shares left, according to Ortex, we should see the cost to borrow 10%, 20%, 15%. We should see it a lot higher than 1. So it doesn't matter. It like you need to so utilization cool, like, and the thing is like, yeah, it could be that. But again, if no more shares can go out on loan, think about this. No, if no more shares can go out on loan, cool. No more. 0. How many shares can they sell? How many shares can they use against us right now? About 10 million, 9 million. So they can still short a lot. And if they want to return and do it again, it's just like nonsense. Like we want to see the cost to borrow go up. The only thing that I really care about right now is cost to borrow. So if once we see that cost to borrow go up, that's going to be a really good sign. We've seen it go up on GME because the utilization has been slowly stepping up. AMCs today didn't do anything. GMEs didn't have a significant increase. So what I'm saying is there's something wrong. Like there's just something slightly wrong about what we're looking at because it doesn't make any logical sense. Let's see. Time for a SPY spike? I don't know. MBC. Cost per AMC is 11% according to Ortex. No, it's not. You're reading it wrong. Look right here. The cost to borrow has been increasing rapidly, especially in GameStop. What time is this? An hour ago. AMC is currently up 11%. GME is currently up 5%. They're talking about the share price. No. They didn't tweet 11% cost to borrow. They were tweeting about how much the stock is up. So it's right on GME, but wrong on AMC? No. It's wrong on both. Something is wrong on both. So this right here, AMC is currently up 11%. GME is currently up 5%. They're talking about the share price, not the cost to borrow. That's a confusion over there that a lot of people are missing here, I think. Why would they tweet a glitch? Something's okay. I'm not trying to rain on everybody's parade with this. That's not what I'm trying to do. We easily could see the cost to borrow skyrocket tomorrow. Has Ortex been compromised by hedge funds? No. I highly doubt that. So the reason why you think about, okay, so what do we really need to put pressure on the funds? High cost to borrow. Utilization, it's like, yeah, okay. Because there's always going to be some shares somewhere that they can figure out to loan out. And the other thing is that we all operate under the assumption that I don't know. So we all operate under the assumption that there's naked shorts and synthetic shares. So even if there's no shares left, everybody thinks that there's synthetics and naked shorts, so they would just be able to sell more shares anyway. So it doesn't really matter what they can borrow or not. It just matters on how much are the shorts actually paying in order to like keep their position. So that's really all it is right there. Let's see. SVU are the best? Yeah, I mean, that's just how it should be explained. Delay in cost borrow update tomorrow? It's possible. It's supposed to be live. It might come back by the end of the day, but there's just something weird with it. If no one is borrowing, then the average cost to borrow would not change. True, but look, they are. 1.46 million shares borrowed today, 160,000 returns. So a net borrow of shares on AMC today of about 1.3 million. Estimated short interest, 21.2%. We also have all-time high short interest on this thing. It's crazy. We break 1812 with volume. We should see 19 at least. Yeah. If IWM breaks 206 and holds, watch for an AMC rip. Yep. I think cost bar will start to come up. It could. SVU are the best. Yeah, I know. That's not what I said. That's not what I said. Nice little green day. Yeah, Oxy 5-minute cross looks valid or no. On the downside, it maybe I did say that, but I was reading something else. I wouldn't say something like that. All right. So Oxy needs to fall below this 200 EMA in order to come down. AMC 1801. SPY might make a move up to the upper end of this range here. That would be pretty sweet. Rumble just offered SCV's ankles $100 million. I would accept it. Can you explain why you believe the amount of shares short is better than short percentage? Because because that's a good question. Well, it was 102 before, so the percentage was higher. So you could say yes, a larger percentage is okay. That's fair. It's the most amount of shares sold short, but not the highest percentage. It's kind of the same thing. It's just more shares that they would have to buy. So who knows how that's really going to affect the buying pressure that comes in? It could be the same effect. It could be a little less. It could be a lot more. We don't really know. Ankle sellout. Verizon popping here. Verizon getting some candles. Where's Neo? Neo, I hate you. Yes, but a lot of vapes follow Ortex and makes decisions off of Ortex data. Exactly. That's why I'm trying to say that there's something wrong here. And I don't know. I don't want people to make investment decisions based off this 100% utilization. Oops. That's exactly why we're doing this, because you guys can get angry all you want about like, no, you're wrong. I want it to be 100% utilization with low cost bar. Cool. But there's going to be people in Neo hater. There's going to be people in here that see 100% utilization and be like, oh my God, there's no shares left. I'm going to buy calls because it's going to squeeze tomorrow. And I mean, it could run tomorrow, but at the same time, it's like, that's not the way to look at it. 100% utilization of 41% short interest? What? Where is that? Let's see. Up 75% on a Micron call? There you go. There you go. Let's see here. All right. I see you. I see this one dude, AD1EUK, SVSU trains new video. He has come clean and admitted it all. Admitted what, bro? I think you're in here just trying to spread bullshit. And if you keep doing that and there's no video, you will be permanently banned from the channel. Disney firing up the rockets. Disney does have earnings coming up. It does have earnings coming up. Mr. Johnny London, that's funny. Spy starting to move up a little bit here. I like turtles. Lee, what's up, buddy? BBIG, please. Yeah, we can pull up BBIG really quickly. Is it coming up? It's looking all right over here. Let's see. Happy hump day. Just liked the hit button. Thank you so much, Enzo. I appreciate that, buddy. So we got a while left today. It's currently 1:38 Eastern. Paper handed the prog call, lost $7. Still learning the game. There you go. SCV said a bad word. What did I say? What did I say? White House pre-warning about inflation tomorrow going to be bad? It could be. Or it'll come in again and it's not really going to be that big of a deal. They have it under control because they're trying to screw with the numbers. And then it's fine. That's a definite possibility. All right. These Neos are pissing me off here. Like let's see. Let's see. My name isn't Justin Frozen Peas and Meat Juice. What's up, buddy? Yeah. Got in late. Who is Gary Gensler? All right. These Neos. I'm going to hold these Neos because screw that. These fake sale candles are pissing me off today. Are we really at 100% utilization? Oh my God. Nobody knows. It doesn't make sense that we would be. Let's see here. Yeah. Also, for everybody filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Just helps out with the algos. Uber Is Uber ripping up? I mean, Uber has earnings today. Uber could be decent. No cross today though, so nothing too crazy going on over there. When's Zynga earnings? Because I can see Take Two, EA, and UBS. They could. Let's see. Check the security lending volume for yesterday. It was very, very low. Neo tanking. Not really. I mean, it's at the 48 EMA right here, coming back up. They're real sell candles on SPY. Green candles are low volume pump. Yep, I see that. I see that. All right, we got 20 minutes before we can make a little spot. Where does this come down to? 453. Interesting. So maybe I get a little SPY YOLO for funsies. Let's see. I think that when the market will take another hit to the down. CVI, you mean CPI? Like the inflation? SPY max pain 449. Ooh, that's dirty. That could be a dirty SPY move into the end of the day, man. A SPOLO? A SPY YOLO? TQQQ? I don't know. See, it's getting interesting over here. Got 2K off 1K shares of AMC. Got my two. I'm kind of confused. Let's see. All right. So Amy 1801 doing all right. Dirty YOLO. We could do a dirty YOLO. Neo coming back to life here a little bit. SPY just kind of slowly moving up with these averages over here. AMC's at 18 flat. I think the SPY is going to run or fall into close. I would guess fall into close. Everything is like running flat. Yeah. What are market makers anticipating the move will be in either direction on Disney? We can do that a little bit later when it comes time for Disney at the end of the day. Because it'll change by the end of the day. AMC, lots of action pointing to a big push. It's very possible. I mean, it's looking solid today. All righty, people. 17.99. We got any crossovers coming? VZ was doing something over here. Verizon. Oh, Verizon's pumping. Verizon's pumping. Wait, Zynga to release first NFT game this year. Hold on. Hold on. First candle here. Hold on. This could get nutty. I don't know yet. Zynga's not moving off of this yet. Watch Zynga. I just got news. Zynga plans to release first NFT game this year. Is that going to go? Hold on. If this breaks this, no, it's not doing much right here. Zynga, yeah, there's the Walter Bloomberg tweet. Hold on. It's not going yet. It hasn't moved. I don't know if this is going to be a news flip like CFVI. It has not moved yet. Let's see. It's 916. There it goes. This might go. I don't know, though. Hold on. Let's see. No, it's just flickering right here. 5 for 5 on 1348 today. There you go. All right. Zynga doesn't look like it's going to do it. If it breaks this 918 with volume, you could see it go, but the volume's not higher than usual, so they didn't do it. Let's see. Zynga has earnings as well. Interesting. It's ZNGA, but it's not doing anything. So SPY trying to make a little bit of a push here. Hold on. Hold your horses. Sup, Vix? What's up, Ian? How you doing? Amy Rippey coming. Don't trust me, bro. It could. All right. I just kind of want to see what this Zynga's going to do for a minute. Because that's decent news. That's decent news on it. Nothing happening over here, though. Neo, what's going on with this? Trying to come back up. SPY trying to move here a little bit. ELMS. Nothing. Caleb, stop spamming, dude. We've already gone over this many times. It's most likely incorrect. They're just like, yeah, that's what our numbers say. Like, look at this. Where's the cost to borrow? It's not there. It doesn't make any sense. Shares on loan go down. Cost to borrow 1.3%. Utilization is not really the important thing. It's cost to borrow. Zynga and Sandbox partnering on CNBC. All right, hold on. Zynga's not moving off of it. That's really weird. CVX crossing up. Ooh, are we going to get some oil plays at the end of the day today? Ooh, yeah. It could. You could be wrong too, though. It's possible. If we see the Steven, here's why I'm saying it this way. People are most likely when they see that number come out, what are they going to do? They're going to buy boatloads of calls. And I don't want people losing money, like at all. Cost ball was 1% yesterday. Was it though? The minimum today is 0.5%. It's 1.3%. It's not enough of a difference. 7 days ago, it was 1.12. It's at 1.3. That's a decent increase, but it's not enough. It's not enough. Okay, the last time we were at 100% utilization, it was like 20%. What do you think about the prospect of market crash? You used to talk about it in the videos tail end of last year. I've been considering moving 401k into bonds while difficult. Okay, so I think we already saw it. So it looked like what we saw in January, that big sell-off was it. I thought it was Q4. I was a month late or a month early, essentially. Seven years ago, cost of borrow was 80%. Yeah, let's look. What was it at the last time? So we'll get utilization and cost of borrow up on here just to show you. Utilization, cost of borrow. Right here. Utilization 100%, cost of borrow 22%. 22%. Apple Crossing? Ooh, hold on. Not really. It's a tiny one. It's a tiny one there. Up 17% on Disney calls. There you go. You borrow 2 million shares. You short 1 million, then return the last million. Utilization is now 100%. No, because there's still 2 million shares, and that would be 50%. That would be 50% utilization. Yeah, but didn't the cost of borrow lag a little bit last time? 94, 2, 2. Yeah, a little bit. But when it gets to 100, it's already at 11%. 9%. 12, 12, 13. Down a little, 12, then shoots to 20. CFEI took a hit. There you go. 25% on Disney calls. There you go. Let's see. Yeah, CFEI did take a hit. CVX did cross. Chevron crossing coming up decently here. All right. Want to play some Chevron? I'll play some Chevron. A little oil. All righty. Up 96% on MGM. There you go. Hold on. I think TMI might be wrapping up soon. I got to shoot him that link real quick. Hold on. Let me do this. Bing bong. All righty. Up 1% on SPY calls. There you go, bud. There you go. Yeah, look, did cross right here. Oil could get a little spicy. 138. Yeah, what's this? What can I get on this? That's not bad. All right, let's see what happens with SPY, though. I think SPY is going to pick a direction at some point. And let's see, BBIG looking better. There you go. Sensing 20 plus this week on what, David? Robinson just said AMC and GME are nothing more than a passing fad. I really want a short hood with $1 puts. Screw them. BBIG going to explode in after hours? It could, man. I mean, it could get going. Yeah, CVX not really. These are slow movers. What about Disca and Viacom? Puts on Apple sound really good right now. Not with 1348. Let's see here, though. AMC is right flat at 18. SPY's not really doing a whole lot. Where's Neo? I haven't checked these Neos in a bit. Yeah, Neo's just hanging out here. AME consolidation is fine. Yep. What do you think about Oxy? I didn't sell my March calls this morning. Oil production should be at 120-ish by July. If that happens, you're going to print. Exchange reported at 107.8. Dude, I know. I tweeted that out. That's insane. Let's see. Yeah, 120. No, no, 120 barrel. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That could be dirty. If that happens, Oxy, Exxon, Chevron, those will all go on a moon mission. Up 300% on an AMC weekly. There you go. 51,000 shares for sale at 1810 on Webull. There you go. You playing MGM tonight? I don't know. I like Disney the best out of all of them. I haven't even priced it in though. I'll probably do that around 3 and just kind of see what it's doing. AMC's at 18 right now. Takes a sip of coffee. Coffee? Yeah, it is. Right here. 18 flat. It's Neo coming back to life a little. Spy starting to get a little jumpy, 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 jumpy. Do you trade one at a time or multiple? What do you mean? CFEI, Joe Rogan rejected the deal. Can't complain about gas prices if you trade oil. True. Exactly. Exactly. Prague Ortex. Yeah, I can give you a quick Prague Ortex. Prague's Ortex wasn't looking so hot after that initial run. They were doing some weird stuff with it, but let's see what it's at. Come on. This one's 100% utilization now. 12% average cost to borrow, 10.56% estimated short interest. See, there's just something weird. I don't know what it is. There's just something weird going on. Prague shoots up to 100%. GME shoots up to 100%. AMC shoots up to 100%. Like, let's check the security lending volume on this thing. It shot, but it didn't shoot as much as the other ones. The estimated short interest, 10.5%, 12% average cost to borrow. That's pretty high. Yeah, cost to borrow was like 13% a week ago. So how is cost to borrow not going up with the? It's something's weird going on. Bought an MGM call on Monday up 155%. There you go. What are we doing with SNDL? I don't touch any of that. I don't like SNDL. That easily, like, where's it at right now? It needs to get above $1 in 180 days. It needs to double. Maybe institution trap them. No. There is a way that they can do this. So here's the way that utilization can spike like this. And then it could delay the cost to borrow, which is kind of what I've been saying. Remember, I was saying the institutions either need to do one of two things. The first, force share recall, get the shares off the table, flood the market with buying pressure. That is one of the ways. The second is to say, hey, I know we said that we were willing to loan these shares out in the past, but now we're not. So then it decreases the denominator of the utilization equation, and then it shoots it up really quickly. So if they did that on GME, AMC, Prague, and a lot of these other stocks that randomly just skyrocketed to 100% utilization, that's very, very possible too. So now we're just waiting on the cost to borrow to see if it's actually going to be accurate. Once we see that, it's like, all right, cool. Now the pressure is getting put on these shorts, and then you can start thinking about, okay, now there's more pressure on them. Maybe we're going to run and we're going to see some covering. I missed mine afternoon. Like, how about you? Like, trip revoked. Thank you, buddy. Let's see. All righty. Amy coming up here. 1804. Spy starting to move a little tiny bit. Neo, what's going on with you? Neo. There we go. Activision. What's going on with Activision? Oh, there she goes. There she goes. Come on, Activision. Rip. I need an Activision rip. I'm holding these YOLO calls on Activision. I'm hoping for the best on these. If Activision starts to get up to that previous high, that could be a nasty one. Mask Gang, what's up, people? Let's see. You're going to buy that $1 million wall right at 2 p.m., cashing out of other plays. Matt Peliquin, if you can do that, go for it, buddy. I would love to see that. Am I doing any options for AMC? Not yet. I will do it once we see this. So right now we have seen AMC cross on this 1348 right here. Awesome. But we have a ways to go to get up to this 21. Here's the thing. I'm not looking. You probably could. I'm just not really in it to do this. I'm not looking to just trade the calls on AMC and make a little bit of money and be good to go. The reason why I buy calls on AMC ever, they're going to be longer dated. Oh, Activision, there you go. They're going to be longer dated. They're going to have a lot of time. They're going to be a little bit closer to the money because what I'm trying to do with the options is to enable myself to be able to hold my shares for longer and not get worried about like a giant sell-off once we see a big boom. Because also, I can sell the options off at any time. And the thing I need to see out of AMC to be like, all right, we're probably going to start exploding is a closing 4-hour candle above this 200 EMA at 21.53. We've got the 1348 cross on the 4-hour. And remember what I've been saying. All we need to see is this little bit of technical reversal for these short-term shorts to start coming in and covering their position. And then they even could come in and start going long. Once we see, sorry. Once we see that start to happen, I mean, it looks good for everything. So we need to see, I mean, there is a danger zone at like 19 to 2050. And once we see that start to go up, I mean, then we're going to be kind of back in the driver's seat, ready to go. So let's see. Activision flickering over here. SPY trying to make a little bit of a move. I want Activision to just go boom. Boom, 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 boom. Neo doing all right over here. Rona, stop. Only red on my watch list is DWAC. Yeah, DWAC's been struggling. VIX Neo coming alive. I know. I'm hoping we get a little bit of a pop on Neo here to get these contracts back. You mentioned that in last night's vid. Yeah, exactly. Like that's what we need to see. The shorts right now on AMC, I do not personally think that they're shorting on fundamentals. I think they're shorting on technicals. It makes a lot of sense. Why would you short on fundamentals right now when they're like literally the new earnings report was like so good. The preview into their earnings was so good. And then we see them refinancing their debt and acquiring new leases to theaters. It's like, it doesn't make sense to short it fundamentally, but it did. And it still makes sense for them to stay in their short kind of if they're shorting on technicals. But once those turn, we could see those shorts start to get out. And then there's also the fundamental shorts that are still in it because they are the ones with the most money. We see that those guys start to get a little bit worried because the technical shorts are like, yeah, we're out. And we might actually go long right now because they're going to play it down and up. Shorts using 1348. Dude, 1348 is like most likely the most profitable like EMA crossover. So Neo doing all right here. Activision, what are we looking at? Activision could just start to go boom, and I would love to see that. Let's see. Yeah, exactly. There's two double buys. There's the unhedging of the puts, the hedging of the calls. That's the double buy there. And then there's the short-term technical shorts covering, then buying back in to go long. Let's see here. The way I see it, AMC is winding up and will bounce higher and harder than we did to 72. I agree. The hedgies could be loading up to pull another January or June short fest. Same thing happened in May just before the run up. Yeah, it's true. I'm not. Yeah, the consolidation is pretty good over here. It's fine with me. Like it's right around 18. That's cool. All right, let's see what happens to Activision. Neo, what are we looking at over here? Neo, it's all right. I still want to see that break of 26-24. SPY is just kind of chilling over here, not really doing a whole lot. So we have 3 minutes until things usually start to get a little crazy with the market. So let's see what happens. Can I check Ortex on Roblox? Yeah. I think Roblox has got some short interest on it. It could be wrong though. Yeah, 10%, only 10% utilization though, and really low cost to borrow. Amy pop. Hold on. SPY pop? Nope. Amy getting a pop here, though. ATVI, I got you because we ride together. Dude, those ATVIs at one point today were crushing it, and then it just went bottom, dropped out. That's what I was worried about with them. That's why I didn't go up very big into it. So I'm just holding them because I do have a couple of, oh, here it comes. Here she goes. The buyers are stepping in. 18.15 on Amy. Here we go, people. Woo! Take two to buy Zynga for $12 a share. See, what is up with Zynga? Because they also said that they were going to release an NFT. Yeah, it hasn't moved. 18.18 on AMC right now. I want to make this better. Like, is it this that I need to do? No, right here, I think. No, right there. Yeah, that looks better. Whoa, a Lou candle. VIX calls with CPI tomorrow. You might want to. I think they're messing with a lot of their data. BBAG about to run. Hope y'all are loaded up. Maybe. Must be margin calls at 2 p.m. ATVI, what's going on with this? It's chilling. Neo, what's going on with you, huh? Neo being an a-hole again. You're welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Added more about Pelican. Maybe that was you, buddy. Maybe it was. Maybe it was. The Batman special IMAX advanced preview sellout. Oh, that's dirty. That's dirty. Zynga does have earnings today. Aunt Kathy's Forts. Oh my God, that's a reckless name over there. Oh boy. AMC crossed the 1348 on the 4-hour. Yeah, I want it for me to buy calls. I need it over the 200 EMA. And if I hear any nonsense about me buying calls, I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh, what the hell is this? Why should I hold my a thousand shares of AMC when I can buy an option for like 200 to make more off that? Do whatever you want to do. 250% on Micron. There you go. When am I going to start selling farts in the jar? Oh, I saw that. I saw that thing come out where there's little spy movement here. Neo's coming back to life. Activision, come on. Come on. Activision, I'm hoping for a little rally going into close. Yeah, it's coming a little here. Hold on. What do we got on news? Nothing crazy. Facebook, interesting. Little volume increase on FB. BBIG about a rip. That would be sweet, man. All right, Amy. Whoa, 1836 on AMC right now. Holy shit. We're up about 11.8% right now. Spy's making a little bit of a move. Oh boy. Neo's coming back to life. Margin calls activate. 2 p.m. margin calls. Here we go. I'm just kidding. No, I'm asking, why don't people just get options instead of holding shares? Because the thing is options can expire completely worthless. Shares almost guaranteed most of the time are not going to go to zero. I mean, you can do it within the money calls, and that would actually lever up the buying pressure that actually comes into the stock. But you gotta, I would say, learn about options first. In for everybody out there right now, when we think about options, the whole options are bad thing is coming back, which is so incredibly false. In the money, at the money options are the key to squeezes and big price movements. So in order for us to see big price movements, we need to see the at the money, in the money calls really start to pile up. Is that going to happen? I don't know. Everybody likes to YOLO on the deepest out of the money strike, which is honestly kind of sad. Do you think the market maker will push the price lower into max pain by Friday? It's possible. You're my son, says David. Interesting. AMC using golden mushrooms. I would hope that it's going to use a little bit more. Spies trying to climb up here a little tiny bit here. Amy coming back down. Neo doing all right. Activision, what's going on with you? Here it comes. What's up with Oxy holding 25 contracts? When did you get them? I was in and out of Oxy pretty quick today. Yeah, I got Oxy around here and then rode it up to here and then just ditched it. I was like, I don't like this anymore. Lovely to see a boom boom candles, but I need a 200% boom boom candles to start to get excited. That would be a halt. Let's see. Can I check the Amy calls for a gamma? Yeah, I'm gonna be a little bit sad about it. I already know. Hold on, let me just go to calls. Are you kidding me? There's nothing here. There's a little bit at 20, but that's not enough. And then look at this. This is bullshit. Oh man. No, we need this right here, the 15 through 18 to pile up, and then we need the like 15 through 20 is where we need to see all the open interest. If we don't see that, we're not going to run. Okay. Well, I don't want to say we're not going to run, but we easily could run, but they're going to have an easier way of shutting it down if the options aren't right there. Spy's getting a candle here. Here we go. Why do I have 2 AMCs? Wildness over here. All right. Activision starting to come back to life. Neo, it's trying over here. Look out above. Spy just finally broke resistance. Ooh, did they ban dark pools? No, they didn't do that. Let's see. Yeah, for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Ooh, AMC got a 5-minute MACD cross. That's good. Neo's looking for its finally. If we get that, that would be pretty sweet on Neo. Neo would need to get to like a little bit more to get that little cross here. Spy's making a little bit of a move. Is there any logical reason that shorts would start shorting again right now? No. There's not. I hope XOM ends positive today. Oil's flickering around a lot. AMC 2 screens, double the gains. BBIG, is it coming? Biggie. Oh, there goes BBIG. Oh, it is spicy. BBIG is freaking spicy. All right, we've been messing with BBIG a lot. What are these? Oh, they're so cheap. Let's see. Yeah, BBIG is doing pretty good over here. This thing is pumping. Amy, 1824. Spy getting a little bit of action over here. Neo, what are we looking like? Nothing. ATVI. This could get spicy. I mean, this is kind of the level that we need to break through on Activision, 63. Options versus a long-term dividend account? You can technically create your own dividend with options. Here comes Activision. That's what I want there. I want a big boom on Activision coming up. Check out BKKT. Gotcha. Whew. It's a fun day today, people. We are up over. Oh, BKKT looks like it could get a little spicy over here. You had to actually work today. Do we know if the utilization is accurate? I know you probably answered 1,000 times already. Um, it could be. It easily could be. Tomorrow we're gonna really get a better idea with the cost to borrow. Made money on Viac today. Sold and jumped into a Micron during Gensler's talk. I'm up 138%. Oh my God. Thanks so much. Orlando. There you go, buddy. BKKT's making a little move here. Amy getting a candle. Spy. Come on. Neo. What's it looking like over here? Neo. Nothing. Activision. Nope. Don Julio. 1942. 1,001 times now. Yeah. Bank of America. Is it crossing? Actually, hold on. Oh, there it is. Now Bank of America's back. Yeah, Bank of America looks like it wants to cross. What's the high of the day? Tight range. Tight range on that one. Probably wouldn't touch this. Spy, let's spread this one out a little bit more so we can see it a little better. Traders back from lunch? Could be. Let's see. Up 60% on BBIG 350 calls. Yeah, I was flipping those earlier. Amy's at 1830. Bank of America looking like it might cross over here. Verizon was looking good at one point. Oh my, Verizon on an absolute moon mission over here. Whoo! IWM above 206. Oh boy. Oh, here comes Spy on a move up here. Neo, are we going to get a little jumpiness out of you? That's what I want to see. Looking for that 5-minute MACD cross. Activision, what are we looking like over here? Activision, not really doing a whole lot, but Spy wants to make a little move here. It wants to get a little bit jumpy, which would be sweet. Don Julio, older brother, 1842. Wouldn't it be the younger brother? What's up with Peloton? I'm not, ankle number today is 20. Peloton is just, they are doing a lot of weird stuff with like their executive board and stuff. It's just been flickering around. But the trend has been down throughout the entire day. Why don't we get alerts on Docu? I could add that one. I could add that one in there. How are you guys selling and then jumping into something else without a good faith violation? You have more settled cash. You just have more settled cash around that you can do it with. Neo. Nope. Looking for the cross, though. It's looking. Last time it did a 5-minute MACD cross, it went from freaking 25.48 to almost $1 move. So if it does it, it could go pretty nutty, but who knows? Activision, what are we looking like over here? ATVI, it's trying, man. Little cross here. Let's see if it starts to get jumpy. AMC, 1828. GME at 121.38. Wow, Spy's moving up here. I like this. BBIG going. I mean, it's looking good. It hit a high of 360. That's pretty solid. Sent you what I see on Spy. Sometimes those charts confuse me, Avocado. It's too much going on. Too much going on. All righty. Does Prague move with the Spire IWM? I don't know. BKKT, is it going again? It looked like it was going to get a little jumpy. Yeah, here it goes. Watch that high of 748, 3 cents off. Amy, come on. Spy's getting a little jumpy here too. Yeah, I can't trade it, but let's see. Neo, just a little bit more. Tim, thank you so much for that. Super. I appreciate that, buddy. And Micron touched 88. Damn. I took like a 35% gain on Micron, and those would have been up a lot. It's okay, though. Apple ripping. Yeah, Spy's coming back up, too. Look at this. Spy's getting jumpy. Neo's trying here. Activision. It might do it. TVI. Apple testing. Facebook mooning. Facebook had some news on it, too, I think. So the Neos are up about 13%. The Activisions are down a little bit. But if Activision can just get a candle and just go whoop right up, just like these today, I'm looking for another something like this on Activision to just see what happens. AMC 1825. Spy starting to move up here a little tiny bit. Neo, what are we looking like here? It's trying to do it, but it's not going to, it doesn't look like it. Luke Spy Stalker. Thank you so much for the super. 1348 has been a life changer. We've been riding AMD up since 11 a.m. Luke, there you go, buddy. Yeah, for everybody that wants to learn the strategy, make sure you check out the free part of the Discord. It's linked in the top of the chat. Just watch the videos, learn the strategy. If you want to get premium, you can, but you don't need it in order to hit these trades. The premium is just going to give you a really good view of the overall market, which is a lot. All right, hold on. AMC over here. ah. 1825 SPY. Trying. Gilbert, thank you for the super buddy. Thank you for your daily lives. Everyone hit the thumbs up. Yeah, guys, if you don't mind hitting that like button on your way in, just helps out with the algo. Let's see here. Alrighty. Neo flickering it cross here. I don't know if it's gonna do it. Fuddy news going in full force again. Don't listen to it. Disca. Hold on. What's up with Disca? Oh man, Disca with an absolute moon mission today. Man, we missed that one. Should I open a share trade blog? SCV should open a share. Maybe. I mean, you guys just hit him over here. That's what we have the Discord for. IWM over 206. Oh boy. Yeah, Disca, this one would have been dirty today. I think we were looking at it right here on this cross, and I was like, I don't really like it. And then it just comes out, bounces. Never really saw this one. So there wasn't an actionable cross, but that's a dirty trade on Disca. What do you think about AT&T? I was getting burned on it last week at some point. No actionable cross today. Amy coming back up, 1831. SPY trying to make a little bit of a move here. Neo, what's going on with you, buddy? Neo flickering, not doing a whole lot here. ATVI, same difference over here. It's just slowly trying to make its way up. Needs more volume to really get to the upside here. Do you see your Twitter DM earlier today? Yeah, I did. That was funny. Netflix to the up, 1348. Ooh, yeah. Netflix coming up pretty big here. How big is this for? It's just $1-ish. Yeah, it's about $1 move. Where's the high? 411. That's not terrible. Let's see what happens with SPY over here. Amy coming back up. Zynga blows. That's why I didn't touch it. That's why I wasn't touching that thing. All right, Neo. Oh, it doesn't like it, man. It does not like these levels over here. So what are we looking at? ATVI still. Nope. Wow. The things that I have today recently are just not doing it. The things that I sell go nuclear. Micron, BBIG, everything else. ATVI showing strength. It is. I just wanted to get that volume pump right back up. Apple crossed up. Yeah, if SPY's going to continue on this trend, I think it's going to hit the top of this range before it thinks about really selling off. AMC right now is up 11.7%. There we go. 1835. Neo. Yeah, I don't like Neo. Neo's being such an a-hole. Sens, how's Sens doing? Chilling out here. What about the EVs? Like, what's Lucid and Rivian doing? Because if those are pumping here, not really. Rivian. So the EVs are kind of slowing down. So if the EVs get a little bit of a pump into the end of the day, Neo's probably going to go with it. But they're just not moving here with the SPY. Interesting. Apple broke out of the pennant too. Is Apple really pumping? Yeah. I mean, Apple on the up here. It's only up about 0.63. CEI ribbon. Sold my BBIG for a nice 10% gain after it broke my fib retracement level. So pissed. Yeah. Did you see Rumble tank after Rogan said no? Yeah, that was not ideal. Alrighty. Lordstown. Neo. Not getting the cross yet. SPY coming back up here. Activision. There it goes. Come on. Get back up there. Another 10 cents out of you. That's what we want to see. What is the AMC shares on loan compared to the short interest? Are they out of ammo? No, they've got about 9 million shares that they can use. About 9 million. Any earnings coming? Disney after hours today. I might do something. FedEx look like it wants to recover. Okay, I like FedEx. Playing FedEx is nah. It needs to get a nice cross. SPY's looking good here. Amy at 1833. GME at 121.71, looking solid. Bet you Rogan loaded up on some CFVI puts right before he said no publicly. I doubt that. Yeah, Apple cross. Is it still moving here? Did that candle turn green? No, not yet. 9 million is a sneeze in the bucket. Sometimes. Depends. Disney earnings after hours. Neo. ATVI. Nope. Flickering. Flickering, flickering, flickering. SPY flickering over here too. What's the top of this box we're at here? Top of the box, 457.73. What are we at? Okay, so we got a little bit of ways to go on the SPY to see if he wants to break the upper end of this box. Okay, so Ortex came out randomly today and just said that there was 100% utilization on a lot of these stocks, but then the cost to borrow wasn't increasing. So everybody this morning was like, whoa, 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 what's going on? So I am still saying there's something weird going on with it because the cost to borrow hasn't increased. But again, it could end up coming tomorrow. What I don't want to happen is people see that 100% utilization and then just be like, oh, I'm buying calls. It's gonna like I don't want to see people willy-nilly lose money. We don't know if it's really gonna spike things until we see a massive increase in cost to borrow. So they didn't provide an explanation. Their tweet essentially just said, yeah, that's what our data says. So right here, where is it? So this one says AMC and GME short interest utilization update. Utilization of both AMC and GME and Prague, I believe, too, hits 100% as security lending activity is increased. So that is a possible explanation of it. And there are other explanations. I'm going to cover that in the video. It's kind of exactly everything that I've been saying. 100% utilization is a good indicator, but means nothing. Exactly. The cost to borrow is the indicator. So then people looked at this right here. AMC is currently up 11% and GME is currently up 5% and thought these were the cost of borrows. But that was just what the stocks were up at the time that this tweet went out. And then this tweet down here is a little bit confusing to some people, I think. Utilization of 100% means that at the start of trading this morning, all available shares were lent, more shares. So that all available shares were lent according to the brokers that Ortex reports from. So there's more. Ortex only gets 85% of the total data. And then more shares are constantly being made available, and live cost to borrow data indicates these shares are being lent at a much higher rate than today than in recent days. But that's not what the data shows. Need the cost to borrow to go up. Exactly. We need the cost to borrow to start going up here. All right, AMC coming up. Activision starting to get a little pump here. That's what we like to see. Come on. Neo, are these coming up a little bit too? Nope. That's so annoying. It doesn't want to cross on that MACD. ATVI, let's leave that up. That could be dirty over here. Let's see what these contracts are at now on Activision because they're just flickering hard. Oh, hold on. We getting a boom over here? All right. Activisions are still slightly red. I don't know how. That's kind of crazy. Neos are up like 4%, which is kind of annoying. If Activision hits that previous day high, it could get nutty. SPY, I still think is going to make a run at this upper end of the range over here. AMC's coming up a little bit, 1846. The high of the day is 1872. So we could see another 1850 breakout, and then we could start going on a nice little bit of a run, which would be very, very, very sweet. So let's see here. Yeah, ATVI trying to make, oh, there it goes. There Activision goes. All right, it's at the previous day high. Here we go. Yeah, also for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. I think I might be the only one live right now. So if we want to have people have a place to go to watch these freaking boom boom candles start to fire off, let's let them see it. 1846 on AMC right now. Activision looking good. SPY trying to get a test of the upper end of this range over here. Tomorrow's CPI data. Please tell me if you expect a dip. I have no idea. It could be a nothing burger. It could easily be nothing on the CPI. It could honestly pump the market too. It's very possible. BBIG is up 16%. 17% now. It's bouncing off the 13 right here, which is a good thing to see. Alrighty. Horses. Here we go. ATVI and AMC numbers. Switch them. No. What? I'm confused. Yo, switch the numbers. You want AMC at this up? Oh, Activision. You shouldn't have Ocugen pumping. All right. If we see any crosses, call them out. Let's do it. Oh, now these Activisions are starting to pump. They're up 10% now. I think these could go nutty. These can go really quick, up 100%. That's what happened earlier today because Activision can just get a massive candle like these. Like when we saw this candle, these contracts were up like 140%, and I was trying to steal them from people, like sell them and just be like, yeah, whatever. Stutter guy would ask you to slow down, talk too fast. Yeah, but like I feel like stuttering doesn't affect your hearing, does it? Activision looking good over here. AMC 1842. SPY trying to make a little bit of a move here. If there's any crossovers coming, call them out. Ocugen. All right, hold on. Ocugen. Is it a cross? No cross, but Ocugen's doing all right over here. AMC 1845. Next inflation report tomorrow morning. Corsair taking off. Technically, I still have Corsair calls from earnings. I'm going to hold them until next week. Netflix crossed up. They did. You are correct about that one, but that was a little while ago, I think. Yeah, it's still right around that 408 level. AMD went ham today. Yeah, so did Micron. I had those in the morning and I just sold them for like 30%. Kind of pissed. I used to stutter. Dude, I used to stutter really bad when I was a kid. My parents had me checked, but it's because I'm ambidextrous and both sides of my brain fire too fast. So I couldn't talk. I would think things and then I'd be like, "Ugh," I couldn't say it. So I used to stutter really bad, but now I can talk really, really fast. DWAC crossing, CRSR is taking off. Yeah, I already have calls on it, so I'm not going to touch it anymore. DWAC, I'm not going to touch. AMC 1845, Neo, what are those looking like? Shitty. Let's see. Activision. There we go. Come on now. Starbucks raising their prices. I don't know. S Bucks. No cross. Jimmy can't decide what it wants to do. How did you play football? Dude, I have so much brain damage. 121.56 on GME from a variety of things, dude. It's not just football. You're great at keeping up with the chat. Major props. I like this channel. Jam, I appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people come in here and are like, I'm happy that you read the chat. And I'm like, I don't know what, like, reading the chat is what makes this fun. ATVI. Oh, there it goes. It's at the previous day high. GE crossing. All right. GE was a decent one earlier. We could try to flip these. Maybe AMC 1845. I really just want to see Neo run. That's what I want to see out of Neo. DraftKings cross and holding. Cross down. No cross today on DraftKings. I see a snot dude calls on CTE for me. You have 82 calls on ATVI paper account. I might have those too. Let's see what happens with it. I'm probably gonna hold it. Okay, 1850 on AMC right now. It just hit it. If we can break that with some momentum, watch that previous high at 1872. Spies hanging out here. Activision. I think if the volume starts to come in on a little, it needs a penny more to make a new day high. TLT, unusual bear activity, that could send things up. So the Activision calls are up 20% now. Jazz Cabbage, what's up, buddy? How you doing? All right, so Activision's looking good over here. Amy, 1846. Spy's just kind of hanging flat. I think Activision's going to go here. I think it's about to go. Let's see. Yeah, also for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out a whole lot with the overall algorithm. I watched this channel because he has very pleasant ambience in his voice. I appreciate that. Activision, new day highs over here. Amy selling off. Riot. Is Riot going? I mean, I was playing Riot earlier this week. I probably should have held some of those calls. I'll probably hold the active. Yeah, dude. I had $18 calls, I think, on Riot. It's crazy. And I had a lot of them. My $18 calls are currently up 560%. There you go. Where's Austin? I don't know. This would be the day that Austin would need to say some positive things, and he's just not here for it. Neo, what's going on with this? Dylan, Activision. I don't know what this was, but that was wrong. Oh, this is why I had two AMCs. Activision. Oh, here it goes. Here we go. Making new highs over here on Activision. What are these contracts up? 20%. The spreads are going to get wild on this thing soon. So you might be able to steal some contracts. Activision is pumping right now. AMC 1846. Spy is trying. Activision looks like it wants to get a little jumpy here. Finally, 34% on Activision. Thank you, Vix. Anytime, buddy. I'm only up 27% right now, which is kind of stupid. All right. Holy Mara. Is Mara going? There you go. Selling off. What do you mean? AMC's at 1846 right here. Come on, people. All righty, everybody. Come on. Here comes ATVI. A leap is anything with more than a year of time. So, Amy, 1844, Activision. If Activision runs the 82, that's going to be dirty. Spy moving down a little bit here. I don't think Activision really cares, though. So, AMC is looking to break that 1850 and then move up. GME coming up as well. You got to slow down. No, I don't. When you say you have a lot of calls on something, are we talking 10? I mean, 10. It depends on what you're trading. I don't personally think the regulations are really going to do a whole lot. I mean, it's like 5% of the way there and getting towards like actual transparency, but who knows? We could see a little bit more. All right, Spy. If Spy starts to go up and test this range right here, that could be nice for everything. You're still here, Austin. There we go. How you feeling today, Austin? You doing better? You feeling a little better today? Neo, what's going on with this? ATVI. Flickering. Oxy could run. Where's oil? Oh, yeah. Hold on. Oxy could get going here. CVX had that cross. How's that doing? Oh, no. It did not knocked right back down and then back up. Interesting. So let's see. Spy's just kind of hanging out over here. Let's see. Oxy. Oxy looking like it wants to cross back up here. If Oxy crosses, I might play it. If Oxy crosses, I might play that. Cut your Viac too soon? Dude, Viac was dirty today. I wish I got some of those. All right, now I'm up 40% on ATVI. There we go. There we go. All right, hold on. Is Oxy crossing yet? No, it's really close, though. So what can we get on Oxy? Probably the same ones that we traded earlier. Honestly, we could see an Oxy run at the end of the day here. All right, great day to be an ape. It's always a good day to be an ape. Amy getting a little bit of a sell candle over here. Spy trying to move. Oxy back down. Activision pumping. That's exactly what we want to see. I love the fact that I subscribe to you, Vix. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. Yes, young Shabir, don't ever slow down. I mean, until I'm like old. Will I be live when we start to moon and guide us to the top? Well, yeah, I will be live, but I'm not going to be telling you like things like it's going to get to the point where it's going to be every man for themselves. I hate to say that, but I can't be in here saying this is the top, this because I don't know. I have no idea. You're going to have to make that decision for yourself once that time comes. 40.5% hold Oxy overnight. I don't know. Let's see what it does. Oil is coming up now. So let's see. I might get a tiny Oxy play just to screw around. VWAP is, where is this? VWAP is at 40.48. So, but wait, no, is that VWAP? I think that's VWAP. I don't know. Let's see here. Yeah, everybody also, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Oxy 40.32. I bet this AMC jump is a bull trap. They aren't being held to the fire yet. Well, if the 100% utilization is real and that's going to lead to a giant increase in cost to borrow, they're screwed. Are you going to tell us when you sell? Nope. Nope. Why would I do that? Because you're gonna see people sell and people are going to make decisions based off of that, and I don't want any part of that. So Oxy's looking all right here. Amy got a candle to the downside here. Spy's looking all right still. What about Activision? Activision looks real good. Neo, what are we doing? Trying here. 55% on ATVI. There you go. How do you miss so much class? I just don't care. I don't. Why would I? BBIG, is it halted? I don't think so. I don't think it would be halted. No, not halted. ATVI. Yeah, this thing's going to go, I think. Is AMC utilization at 100% true? Nobody knows. Until we see an increase in the cost, a significant increase in the cost to borrow, you can't say yes or no. It's just a waiting game at that point. Should have kept the Qualcomm. I should have kept the Micron too, but I did keep the Activision, so I might hold those for a while. How's everyone? I'm doing pretty good. ATVI looking good over here. Spy with a little pop. Neo being a little a-hole. AMC at 1820. GME. Here we go. 1100% on BKKT. There you go. Yeah, dude, I'm actually in college. Isn't it crazy? I never go. So Activision, what are we looking at over here? It's chilling, but it looks jumpy over here. This thing looks jumpy. Thoughts on Affirm after earnings? I might play the actual event. We got about 30 minutes left. I might play some Disney. Maybe I'll play some Disney. Why are we up big today? I mean, we've been getting a lot of really solid news. So we got the good earnings news. We got the refinancing of the debt. We have new theater acquisitions, the Batman NFT. Like, there's a lot of good things. And here's the thing with the price, with where we are in terms of the price, it makes a lot of sense that we would now move off of fundamental news. Do you like to buy your calls when the stock is already running? I just look at 1348. That's really what I do. Batman NFT is going to be solid. White House expects higher year-over-year inflation per Bloomberg. Yeah, but like, we know that. Haven't paper handed your spy calls yet? There's always time. There's always time to paper hand some options. Let's see. If we hit 20 this week, do we get ankles? Yeah, if you get a closing price above 20, you get ankles. So AMC's at 18.25 right now, 11%. Spies trying to make a move back up here. Activision's still looking solid. Neo's trying to make a little bit of a move here. Pelosi backs ban on lawmakers trading stocks. Headline: Charles Payne. How? Nancy's the one that's doing it. How's there a million shares to short at 100% utilization? Well, one, utilization could not be 100%. And two, Ortex is only getting their data from 85% of the total market and their shares cycling in and out. So let's see. Oh, we're getting the mask gang in here. What's up, people? How you guys doing? How are you guys doing? So everybody that's filtering in right now, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. We got AMC trying to pop back up a little bit here. We got Neo trying to do its thing. Activision, what's going on with this beast? Selling off a little bit, cool off, and then it can go on a nice little run. I still think SPY's going to test the upper end of this range here. Amy's bouncing off the 13 EMA right now. I love to see it. FedEx about to cross on the 1 minute. Yeah, what about the 5, though? Because FedEx needs a lot more. Oh, Mask Gang. What's up, people? How are you guys doing? ATVI is a good hold. I think these options could be really good. I didn't spend very much on them. It was just on the flip on this right here. I could have really cranked it on this. Oh, baby. What's up, Mask Gang? How are you guys doing? Pelosi's husband owns AMC. No, she actually doesn't. Pelosi's husband owns shares in an investment firm called Alliance Bernstein, and Alliance Bernstein owns some shares of AMC. So they kind of, but like not really. So 81.81 on okay, so nobody cares about Activision, only I do. 18.27 on AMC. SPY just flickering here. GME 121.90, looking good. Looking good, everybody. Let's see here. What's up with the ankles? Have you skipped your leg day your whole life? No, it was because everybody was talking about that nonsense with Ken Griffin. Ho! What's up, buddy? How you doing? Oh, I can't hear you.
How about now?
There he is.
There we go. What's going on, buddy?
Not much. Trying to flip some contracts into the end of the day.
Not bad at all. I'm seeing SPY come back down. I'm looking for these puts to pay.
I'm thinking, I think it might test this upper end of the box and then might really come down. But you could be right.
Yeah, and that's the thing. It's flat topping right now. Like I think it's tested 457.40 like 4 times already.
Yeah.
So I'm like, what do you have there? 4. I'm guessing
this. I think it's messed up on the top end. This is 457.71 ish.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So very close. Yeah. If it gets rejected, I think everything had a great run at the end of the day, and then it's gonna be like, oh, CPI data, get scared.
Yeah, that would suck. I'm trying to. These Neos are pissing me off today because everything says everything should just continue up, and then I'm just diamond handing these Activision calls.
Okay, wait, what earnings play are you playing?
Ooh, I might do Disney. It's almost time. We got like a half hour until you got to start looking at it. It's going to be expensive, so I might go with the next week. What's it at? 146. Yeah, I would have to go for the next week. So let's say 165. What's that? That's expensive.
It is.
Mm-hmm. Maybe we'll see. If something hits at the end of the day, maybe I'll play it.
I like it. Wait, hold on. What are these guys saying? Amber Mac, what's going on? Definitely beat you guys here. Hold on. I beat a lot of you guys here today. Hey, listen, sometimes I'm slacking on that little transition. Today, I whooped you guys over here.
Yeah, I think he did beat most of you guys. I did see a lot of people with the mask coming in, and then you popped up. And
oh, damn. Okay.
Oh, Disca, dude, Disca was so good today. I just missed it. It crossed, it went up, came down, and then went nuclear. ATVI tanking. It's getting a candle. Relax.
Yeah. Oh, look at that freaking volume pump midday for Activision.
That's where I was getting in. I think I caught it here, rode this one, and then I had a sell order. It just didn't hit. I was trying to steal it. I was being a little too cute with it. Is Oxy going? Is Oxy going? Oh, we were looking at it.
I pulled it up. AMC is going to come back down a little bit, guys. Just a heads up.
I think it might touch that 48.
Just a heads up. Let's see here. Hey. Yeah. I don't know. Oxy looking like it could go for a little bit of an end of the day run there.
Oil's coming up. I got the oil chart over here. What's it at right now? Oil's up. Ooh, it's coming back. It's coming back. I played Oxy this morning, made a little bit of money on it. That was fun. It just runs and then it tanks. Like it does this a lot. It just runs and then goes, eh.
It's a nice little flag. If like you don't want to hold throughout that flag, right? But it's a nice little. If you get a little bit of a pop like you're seeing right now, if it runs past that VWAP, you can see something special. But I don't know. It runs in coordination with oil, right? So it's kind of like
yeah. Sometimes it
dependent on
inverses it. There was one day where oil was down and Oxy was going nuclear. And I was like, this doesn't make a lot of sense. I'm still calling caution on the Ortex stuff too.
So they confirmed it.
Yeah, I want to see the cost of borrow go up to confirm it.
Okay, so no, I'm 100% with you on that one. Yeah, if I don't see the cost of borrow go up, I'm not having that.
Yeah, it's just like it happened on a couple of stocks, and you're like, AMC, GME. I know Prog did it. There's a lot of weird stuff going on with it. I don't want people, like we were saying earlier, to just go willy-nilly buying calls based on it.
So what's your opinion on synthetics? If the borrow rate continues to be this low and the utilization's at 100%, are they creating synthetics to keep this borrow fee low?
They could. They also, what I was thinking is that like if the utilization's at 100%, the actual utilization number doesn't matter because they probably can create nonsense shares anyway. But if the cost to borrow on the existing stuff goes up, that's why I like cost to borrow the best and not just the actual utilization number.
Yeah. Well, the thing about this way, right? Even when the cost to borrow is at 0.8, that is so ridiculously low.
Yeah.
For a stock that is shorted this much. Like it's at a different level. Thoughts on IBM and such a bullish flow on how would you play it?
SPY's gonna rip here, dude. SPY's about to rip. You see this TLT? If TLT comes down below this 200, SPY's gonna go.
Okay, I like that. Let's see here, which means I'll be playing Tesla call then. Like when SPY goes on these rips and runs, I'll usually just monitor SPY and play Tesla call to make more returns on the same play.
Yeah.
Let's see, where's the IBM looks, holy shit. 76% bullish run. Bullish flow. IBM. 76%.
Like options flow?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's big.
For a stock that large, yeah, we're seeing a lot of February 18th, 130 calls, March 4th, 120, March 4th, 125. A lot of March 18th and February 18th, almost all. 129, 120 to 140. What's it at right now?
IBM? Hold on. I was looking at Oxy.
No, do your thing. I'll put it up.
137.95. Cross up too. Looking good.
Oh man, that's not bad. And wait, do you have earnings today? I wonder.
Let me look.
I'll look. Yeah, pull this up. Earnings whisperer. Where are you at?
They don't have all of them sometimes, which is kind of annoying. IBM reported a dividend. When's their earnings coming up? Next earnings was it January, February, April. Next earnings in April.
They reported a dividend. That's all they did.
Yes, so people could be buying in off that.
Oh, if you report a dividend, you're probably making money though.
Yeah.
Oh,
Team I, look who we got in here. We got Jay Brown just making the rounds. We shouldn't teach run. What up? What up, Jay Brown?
There we go. Wait. Oh, there we go. What's going on, buddy? Yeah. Let's go. Earnings after close today, 3 hours ago. Okay, let's see what we got. Uber, Vimeo. Yeah. Okay, you know what? I'll probably wait. Yeah, I'll probably wait till like the last few minutes here to see what happens.
Yeah, Lyft was a dud. I have those. I played Corsair too. Those were a dud. So 2 duds yesterday. That was no fun.
Yeah.
At least there was the Facebook though.
We'll make it back with Uber.
Uber maybe. Yeah, Oxy Cross. I just got some little bit.
Uber is I like that.
I'll hold those over. I haven't held anything overnight recently, and I might just do it. Hold a couple of things overnight.
It's a little risky, but you're good. Yeah, why not?
It's not much on them. How do you feel about hood puts? Emotional.
Yeah, I'm about to hop out, but I'll catch you guys in a bit.
All right, later, buddy.
Deuces, guys. Enjoy yourselves. AMC's going back for another run right now. Oh, hold up. Wait a second. Retest of
1850.
the
Come
day.
on.
Retest of that high. That's a spike. That is a beautiful
I'm
spike right
hoping.
there.
We need that break of 1850, and then we can start to go, I think.
Yeah, I think the day high is like 1870. We got a
Yeah, I
little
have it.
bit.
Yeah, 72 over here. Same difference.
Let's see. GME's at new daytime high right now, 122.50. Nope, I lied.
They
The
popped in
daytime
the
high
morning.
is 122.93. I do not mind this at all. Oh boy. So I don't know. Listen, I don't know if we're allowed to say whether we buy calls or don't buy calls for AMC. So I'm not going to say that I don't have any calls, but I'm not going to say that I do have any calls. But if this thing runs,
I
then I'll
haven't
do
bought
it.
any yet. I'm waiting for this right here. The cross above the 200 with this 1348.
I see what you're saying.
So I'm
On
waiting
the
for
other hand, if you do buy calls, just make sure you tell people you're buying calls because you don't want to, lie to
Yeah.
the people.
Yeah. Well,
You bag
TLP's
holder
coming down
creator,
too.
you.
It might be time. We might go on a little runny here.
What's Tesla doing? Tesla. Oh, Tesla's taking a bit of a dip. I like that.
SPY's just flickering. It wants to go, I think. It looks like it wants to. Avocado
Oh,
sent me some charts, but like sometimes the charts confuse me. There's just so much going on.
he's good. I know. He's good. He knows exactly what he's talking about.
Exactly. I just wish
You,
I was on that level
you
too.
need him to send
Oh,
you
Activision.
you see him to send you a voice note when he sends the charts.
Yes, that's what I need. That's exactly what I need.
All right, buddy. I'm out of here. You guys
Later, buddy. Have some fun.
like the video. Smash that like button. I'll catch you guys on the flip side.
Thank you,
Peace.
sir. All right, people. Yeah, if you guys don't mind, hit that like button on your way in. Honestly, what Activision has kind of been doing today is it's come up, then it comes down, touches this 25 MA, and then rips back up. So I probably am going to keep this. AMC right now is at 1842, looking good. SPY, little bit of a candle over here. Let's see. Where's Oxy? Oxy did get a cross. Just kind of chilling here. So let's see what happens with this little bounce off the 200, trying to come back up. Let's see. SPY might come down and test this 13 here, but Amy's at 1840. Here we go. And if they just crayon talk SPY calls and Disney calls and SPY puts overnight, that's not the worst idea in the world. What up, everyone? Keep learning the market. What's up, Jay Brown? Keep educating and running TA. Love it. 2022. Hashtag knowledge. Thank you, Jay Brown. I appreciate that, buddy. Oxy might come down and test this 13 before it wants to go back up. Honestly, though, probably going to hold these Oxys overnight. Just the way that oil's headed. And if inflation numbers come out tomorrow and they're high, let's see. Trey says utilization isn't a glitch. I think it's not confirmed right now, and it doesn't make any sense as to why it would come up. Besides that explanation that I gave a little bit earlier, if the institutions were like, yeah, sorry, no more shares, we're willing to loan out. We're just waiting. You can't say yes or no right now. Even with Ortex's tweet, it's like, you're going to trust an Ortex tweet? I personally don't. I want to see that cost to borrow number start to skyrocket and then be like, okay, now we're at 100% utilization. Let's see. BBIG and AMC running identical today. Yeah, they tend to do that. Thoughts on metamaterials? I think it's got some squeeze potential, doesn't it? GME just kind of walking its way up here. 121.96. Amy's looking for that cross and a break above that 1850 here. SPY making its way back up here. Oh, baby. Apple holding 176. There we go. If exercising an option, do you need extra cash to exercise the worst of the option app spot? You have the $10 call that I'm considering. Yeah, you need $1,000 to exercise that $10 call, Deke Slade. YOLO and Uber, yay or nay? I probably wouldn't YOLO and stuff. YOLOing's a little bit dangerous. Would I hold DCFC overnight? I don't know. I'm probably going to hold some of this stuff overnight. I just want to see which it is. So Activision's coming down and testing this 25 right here. SPY's looking all right. Where's Neo? I haven't really checked on Neo in a little bit. Neo looking good, wants to come back up. It still wants that 5-minute MACD cross. It's been trying all day long and it hasn't been able to quite get it yet. SV is like a 40-year-old who gets cast as a high school student by Hollywood. That's funny, dude. That is funny. Settle cash 2 or it won't work. Yep. Now 35 cents away from my Mara swings going in the money, being down $7. Whoa, Ryan, that's sweet there. All right, let's see if Neo gets this cross on the 5-minute. I hope it does. That would be sweet. AMC looking for that test of that 1850 again. SPY's just kind of flickering here. Let's see what happens. We got about an hour and 15 minutes left in the market today, people. Let's have some fun. BBBY looking to go. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. Guys, you are crushing it on the likes today. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate that. Well, I look at DCFC. That was the one that Biden pumped, I think, yesterday. It's up 78%. I'd be extremely careful with that. I would be very, very careful with a stock that's up 70%, 80% on a day. LFG. There we go. I accidentally wrote LFG in TradingView. That's funny. Pins crossed and past the 200. Still have some settled cash left. Is Pins getting jumpy? Pins is actually getting a little jumpy over here. Hold on. What's going on with SPY? SPY's trying to make a move here. What are these contracts all looking like over here? So Oxy down a little bit. Activision down a little bit. Neos are up like 11% here, which kind of sucks. I was hoping for a big hit on Neo today. SPY's moving up again. When do inflation numbers come out tomorrow? 8:30 a.m. So we'll be live right as those inflation numbers are coming out. Oxy about to cross. Oxy did cross, I think. Yeah, Oxy already crossed on the 5. It's down a little bit. Amy, 1846. Come on. Come on, Amy. TLT got rejected on the 5 and 200 EMA. Hold on. Did it come back up? Yeah. Bryant, thank you so much for the super. You suck. Thanks for the paper hands Micron. You're welcome. That was probably the best trade of the day. You hold my lift overnight with Uber earnings. I have to. It's like it's completely dead. With the earnings, that's what you have to expect. It's either gonna die or it's gonna hit. Activision, what's going on with you? Oops, my phone dropped. That's not what we want. And then Neo, what do we want over here? We need more on Neo. It's coming up now. Neo's trying to come up. Oh, just got that 5-minute MACD cross too. Here comes Neo. This one could be fun. Ankles incoming. There we go. I would love to do the ankles. Even though it's weird, I'd love to show you guys my ankles, I guess. It's kind of strange, but now we're back to 26, 16, 15 on Neo, 1845 on AMC. Looking all right here. SPY coming down to this 13 here. Neo doesn't really care though. Russia looking to regulate crypto. Riot and Mara, how are these doing? They don't really care about that news right now. Interesting. Let's see how that fizzles out overnight. What about Viac? Somebody was trading Viac. The Discas were going nuts. Yeah, Viac crazy today. No cross, but Disca did have a cross. You would have gotten stopped out on it, but I mean, it's tough to tell on this one. Like those contracts are dirty if you got those on Disca. So AMC 1843. Man, I am having some FOMO on the Discas, man. Neo, how are we doing? It's doing all right. ATVI, how's this looking? Shitty, but we'll see. Would you hold Disney overnight? Not if I'm playing the run up. No. STV the ankle kid. Supermom, what's up? How you doing? 1844 on AMC. Let's see. I kind of want SPY to come down and test this 13 EMA and then rip back up into the upper end of this range. That's kind of what I see happening with it. Neo, what's going on? We got that 5-minute MACD cross. It looks like it wants to go, but this bar is not green again, so it went back into the red. Wish moving. X logic. Yeah, no cross though. Cross back here at 230, 235. AMC holding strong here. Come on, let's get that 1850, huh? What do you think about Roblox? I think it could be good. I went back to my roots today and traded Tesla up over 1,000. There you go. Here comes Wish on a nice little run here. Neo. ATVI. Oh, Oxy. Fine. Oxy trying. Can you check ENPH? End phase? End phase doing good. Oh, it's crossing back up here, but this was really coming down. If you see, the problem is you'd have to wait until it gets below the 200, 161. Oh, that's a big drop. You could have crushed it on that. It's hunting for this 1850, guys. It is hunting. And then DM coming back up. There you go. Yeah, for everybody filtering in too, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Just helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Hold on. Oxy, are we going to hit another one of these? That would be dirty. It could. Where's oil right now? What's oil doing? So 23. Yeah, oil's not moving a whole lot right now. If you're holding I would not mess around with a firm if you're up a lot. All right, so now SPY's getting this test of the 13. Let's see what happens there. Amy at 1842. Neo, what are we looking at? Neo's just being such an a-hole today. ETVI holding flat right around the 13. Let's see. I do like Occidental. DraftKings running again. I kind of want to get DraftKings running. I do kind of want to get a put for tomorrow, just on something, just in case we see just tank. Let's see. Yes, Xeris, because they can enter the short exempt trades. So they're naked shorts. Pins was crossing. Yeah, Pins is all right over here. All right, Amy, it's still hunting for that 1850. Spire right around the 13. We've seen this happen a couple times. Then it starts to trend back up. Where's TLT right now? TLT bouncing a little bit. Spy. Okay, hold on. Neo. Activision, Oxy, Holden. YOLO and Uber 100% gain tomorrow? No, I will not be doing that. Where's the best place app for me to buy and sell or trade OTC Chinese stocks? Dude, I have no idea. I'm sorry. BKKT. Coming up. No actionable cross today, but that's a decent one. So Spy hanging right around the 13. Amy, 1844. BKKT trying to make a move. Let's see. AMC going to Neptune where it rains diamonds. That would be sweet, dude. That would be sweet. Oxy, what are we looking at over here? So it did get a cross. It's just a slow cross. So let's see what happens by the end of the day. The 5-minute MACD might send it down. So let's see what happens over there. I'm holding a firm. Good luck. Good luck. SV loves it when Oxy. I do really love it. It's fun. I have a great time. All righty. What do you think about S? It's a cybersecurity company. Never seen it. All right. Oxy coming down to Tesla 13. Spy chilling here. Neo. Oh, Neo is just so upsetting today. AMC Ortex is weird. All the Ortex on GME and AMC today are weird. Let's see. I just typed in Ortex. Ortex on Ortex. You guys finally got me with that one. So, Amy, let's see. It says 100% utilization, but it doesn't make a whole lot of sense that it actually is. 1.3% average cost to borrow over here. 21.2% estimated short interest, but we do have all-time high shares sold short on the exchange reported data, 107.8 million. That is pretty big. So that got reported today. The settlement date was January 31st. 1.94 days to cover. That is pretty big freaking news. So Neo trying, not doing so good. The MACD's literally been red the entire second half of the day. Activision, we getting a little pump here yet? Yeah, it's trying. It's trying. Activision's trying. Let's see. Oxy, what are we looking like over here? Oxy doesn't really like it. It's testing this 13. You see the AMC Ortex tweet? They explained why it's 100% utilization. They sort of did. They were just like, yeah, the securities lending volume is so high, but that doesn't really help anybody out. Securities lending volume is really high, but we would have to see, why did the shares on loan go down so much today? And then the utilization goes up. That's where I'm like, that's a little bit weird. And then they're like cost to borrow is steady increasing. It's like, all right, cool, but it's not. So AMC 1833 right now. Spy selling off a little bit here. Oxy not doing so great. CVS earnings today. Yeah, I'm not touching it. Is that 69 notifications on your Twitter? Nice. Where do you see that? It might be. I don't know. Let's see. They didn't really. Yeah, it's just they didn't really explain it. Oxy coming down. Spy coming down. Activision. What's going on with this? Trying here. Neo. If these Neos are. It's just annoying. I'm gonna see how many of these Neos that I have. I've got a few Neos actually. I might sell some of them. I've got a lot of Activisions though. A lot of Activisions. Oxy down a tiny bit here. Neos are coming down a little. Spy flickering. Can't you see on your broker what the cost borrow is? No. Maybe the cost borrow number is incorrect, right? Or the utilization number is incorrect, because it wouldn't make sense that all of these stocks just went from some number right up to 100%, unless we saw what I went over earlier, where you have you have the institutions that say they're going to loan out shares and then they're not going out on loan. Then they're just like, yeah, sorry, we're not going to loan those out anymore. Disca. Oh shit. Is it going? Or is it? Damn it. Whoever hit Disca, good job. Good job on the Discas. Those are dirty. Those are absolutely dirty. Spy needed an RSI cool off on the 1 hour. Yeah, Disca's up 6.5% today. That's craziness. So the Neos are still up like 7. Sens, they're up a little bit. I'll hold those. Activision doing all right. The Oxys are down a little bit here. Jesus. Disca just doesn't want to slow down. This is crazy. AMC 1828 right here. 700% on a Disca call. There you go, man. That is crazy. ATVI. Oh, shoot. Hold on. Activision. Pop a little bit here. These contracts just shot up. All righty. VIX is below 20. Interesting. I mean, the SPY's up 1.36% today. Activision. So it came down, tested this 25 MA over here. It could just start to rip. And that's thanks to VIX. Unleash my drag. There you go, man. There you go. 162% on DISK. That's the same thing. Just has to do with voting rights. All right. Activision chilling. SPY. Neo being an a-hole. Analyst, Netflix, Apple, Disney emerged stronger from Oscar nominations. AMC, not so much. Oh, screw them. Why are they being a-holes? All right. Neo coming down to test that 48 again before it might try to come back up. SPY moving down. What's up with Activision over here? It wants it. It wants it. I wrote Disco like 5 times with that, no response. So I didn't pull the trigger because I'm a noob at this strategy. Ooh. Well, see, the thing is, how do you know when to ignore the rules? You don't. It's Disca today was all luck. So look what happened on Discovery. It crossed right here. And if you come in here, you're getting stopped out here or here. This is going to hit your stop. So then it goes on an absolute moon mission. So you would have just been chasing Disca if you were trading it. There would have been an absolute chase. It would have worked, but you would have been chasing it. Amy coming down a little bit. SPY making its way down here. Activision, what's going on with you? Being a shitter. Neo being an a-hole. 100% utilization is real. I just don't think so. It doesn't make sense. Follow the rules and also set your own. That's true. That's true. GE falling. Let's see. AMC coming back up here. Let's see. Apple is a bigger a-hole than Neo. I don't think so. So if Neo falls below this here, I'll get out of it. I just kind of want to hold these into tomorrow. 100% utilization was reported 2 days ago. Maybe Disca on a moon mission. Oops, I didn't mean to do this. Is it still going above 30? Now, Disca selling off a little here. SPY coming down. AMC coming down. Everything's starting to make its way down. Now going. I did it again. Neo, 26 flat. ATVI, what's going on with this? Yeah, no. That's being an a-hole. No, it shouldn't be. Utilization was at 60%. That made even less sense. We'll go over it in the video tonight. I'll explain it all to you guys tonight. There's a lot of very logical explanations as to what's been going on. I've explained it many times in the past, but now with what we're seeing with utilization now, it makes a whole lot more sense. How do we know exactly? How do we all know they didn't just glitch it to 100% just to get everyone all worked up, then rug pulled just to make everyone emotionally sell shares? I don't think they would emotionally sell shares. I think everybody would emotionally buy calls. That's why I'm saying relax, like everybody chill out. AMC will reach 39. I mean, eventually, I think, in my opinion, it's going to go a lot higher than that. But let's see here. Yeah. Also, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, where's Neo? Is it below 26? Nah, it's getting hit. All right. I think I'm out of these Neos. Just pissing me off. Or I'll sell a couple of them. I'll sell 2 of them so I can have some for tomorrow. Just a little YOLO Neo just for fun. That's annoying. I'll keep 1 Neo for tomorrow. Maybe I'll trim a little bit of the Activision. See, the Activision I don't really care a whole lot about. Oxy, I think Activision could just randomly just start to go. All right, the Oxy's not doing a whole lot right now, but here's the thing: if inflation numbers come out and oil rips, we could see Oxy go on an absolute moon mission here. So we'll see what happens with that. What are your Disney calls and puts? I haven't done it yet. I don't know if I am gonna do it. Let's see. Power or sour hour? Ooh, we are at 3 p.m. now. SPY is coming down to the 48 EMA here. Oxy's trying, but it's getting hit a little bit here. ATVI, what's going on with this? Doing the same thing as before. The Oxy not doing a whole lot right now. Sorry. Have you seen the XRT short interest? Yeah, no. I have, and there's another explanation for that one too. It has to do with like how things get cycled in and out of that one. If you look it up, there's articles about why XRT short interest is that high. Allow her hour. I mean, hopefully we're at 18.13 on AMC right now. Right now, we're having another 10% day. SPY's selling off now. ATVI's coming down. GME's getting a nice little pop here, though. Yeah, I don't know if SPY's going to come down all that much right now. Yeah, broke the so you told me that. Exactly. So it makes sense. Here's the thing. In order for me to be like, yes, the 100% utilization is real on all of these stocks randomly going up at once, where it's not a glitch, where we see glitches like this happen all the time, the cost to borrow has to go up. If it doesn't go up, it's not real. Microvision, here we go. It's up 9.5. Man. Amy, 1817, looking decent. BBIG looks like it wants to rip. Yeah, it might. Yeah, BBIG is looking all right over here. I'm saying that XRT is like 1,500% plus short interest right now, and 100% utilization kind of makes sense with cost of borrow not going up. No, it's scarcity. If it's a scarcity thing. It's just supply and demand. It's like basic econ. Dave Lauer hour. That would be funny. 1820 on AMC right now. SPY bounced right off that 48. Let's see here what we get. Yeah, Ortex did address it, but they were just like, oh, the securities lending volume was higher. But then they also have to explain why they're saying the shares on loan is going down and the utilization is going up. But I mean, I've given you guys the explanation as to why that is. So it's not like we don't have one. I want to see the ankles. We got to get to 20. 20 for ankles. 1822 on Amy. BBIG looking all right over here. Oxy, what's going on with you? A little pop on Oxy. Little Oxy pop. All right. What are we looking at over here? ATVI. Ooh. What's XRT's cost to borrow? We can take a look at it. Well, typically with let me see. XRT. Shorts. Doesn't say. Or 7%. That's still high. This says 459%, but no short interest change. 100% utilization, 7% cost to borrow, though. So it's high. SPY coming down here. ATVI coming down. I might ditch these. If I can, the spreads are nonsense on this. Yeah, no, screw that. All right. The last Neo. Oh, yeah. The spread on these Oxys is absolute. I mean, not the Oxy. The Activisions are stupid. 1820 on AMC right now. SPY's coming down. Ooh, got eaten right back up. 1819 still on Amy. How's Mara short interest? Let me look. Let's see. So that would hide cost bar on AMC. No, it would not. Broke to soak. And the other thing is you have to think about like what stocks are people wanting to short more. It's AMC. So if you see, they're going to pump the demand on it. There's going to be no real demand to short XRT. They're going to be like, imagine like you have a certain amount, there's less of something, but there's no demand for it. It's like, yeah, it's going to be a little bit higher of a cost to borrow, but it's not going to be that high. Even with 100% utilization, 7% on XRT, it's very high. Mara, 26.5% estimated short interest, 100%. Mara went to 100% too. This is weird, people. 1.5% average cost to borrow. I'm calling fishiness over here. Calling fishiness. GME trying to pop back up. AMC trying to do the same thing. TLT just crossed down. Is it below the 200 though? Is TLT below the 200 yet? No, not yet. Hit that like, says Space. Appreciate that, buddy. Thank you. Yeah, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on your way in, we got about 56 minutes left. So SPY is kind of flickering around this 48 EMA right here. Amy 1819, TLT, GME's trying to pop back up here. Where's Neo? 26 flat being an a-hole. ATBI. Interesting. Do you still have those Corsair calls? Technically, yes. They're dead though, because of IV crush. Why 100%? It's not. I don't think it is. You can't have all of them go. Unless somebody, here's the thing, unless somebody yesterday or over the last couple of days, so I'm going against the theory that I've had for a while. Like, this is me coming out and being like, yeah. I don't think, I think that was my theory, but it doesn't look like it's playing out the way it should be. When you see all of these stocks just go from like 80, 90% utilization, and then they all just hit the ceiling all at once, it's like, that's weird. But here's an explanation of it. Do you guys want me to keep going over it? Like, I keep saying it. They have said that they're willing to lend all of these shares, but the shares haven't been going out on loan as fast as they could have been. So there's a lot of shares that are just sitting there waiting to go out on loan because the institutional purchases have been skyrocketing. Okay. Now they've said, nope, sorry, no more shares that we're willing to lend. That can pump utilization. We are over max pain. Yeah, right now we are. Right now we are over max pain. All righty, people. Yeah. Corsair's about to close. Hopefully it does. That would be really nice. If we are over max pain for the week, we get ankles. This is bullish. No, max pain's at 17. We got to hit 20 for ankles. SPY coming down now. Corsair looks like it wants to go up. ATVI, what are we at here? It's chilling right around 81.50. Oxy, what's this looking like? Struggling, but it looks like this could come back a little. Anthony, stop it. Fun crossing up. Ooh, oops. Yeah, fun is crossing up, getting a little spicy. To launch by the end of March. Hold on. DWAC. Volume coming up on DWAC here. Little cross. We got news. Trump's Truth Social to launch by the end of March. So hold on. I might flip DWAC really quick here. DWAC. Shoot. Shoot. How much settled cash do I have? All right, I have enough. Let me see if I can flip some DWAC really quick. I kind of want to do it. I'll take this one right here. I'll take 2 of these. I'll do this really, really, really quick. Wait, hold on. Is it going to go? I don't know. I mean, it got news, but we already knew this news, right? We already knew that it was supposed to launch at the end of March, and that's why it's sold off. Yeah, Trump's Truth Social to launch by the end of March, according to Bloomberg. That's what we saw just here. SPY coming down here. Amy testing this here. Yeah, the spreads on this are terrible. I don't know. Fun was going too, but isn't Fun sort of related? No. DWAC. Let's watch it. Chasing? That's not chasing. There's a cross here. It's perfect. Sends cross under. Oh, that's no fun. I'll keep those for a little bit because they expire next week. That news was yesterday and it made it tank so much. Yeah, exactly. It's weird. Like, yeah, now it's starting to flicker here. I'm not taking these DWACs, I don't think. We can watch it. Go with Fun as a sympathy play. Yeah, but this is coming down. So if this is going to come down, so is Fun. Fun was already getting a red candle. So let's see what this Fun candle is looking like. Yeah, this is not a fun candle on Fun that you want to have calls on. So SPY's chilling here, 456.22. Yeah. Fun helped during the 2016 campaign. Well, helped him then. Didn't help him in 2020, did it? How long do you swing 4-hour crosses? You can do a week or a month. So DWAC is flickering red-green here. Got this cross here. Comes up from here to here. I mean, this is, I don't know. BKKT is still going. Is there a cross on it? I don't think there's a YOLO SPY puts. I can't. They expired today. I can't get them. All righty. Oxy. What's Oxy looking like? Oopie. How much Oxy do I have? Okay, that's a bad thing to say. All right. How much of this do I have? Not bad. That's fine. I can deal with that. DOAC push back until March. Yeah, see, that came out yesterday, and now they're saying that's like good news, and people might want to buy this up now, which it doesn't make a whole lot of sense as to why. SPY coming down. Yeah, Celos, I saw that. I saw that. Interesting. So DOAC just selling off to the 200 here. GME is trying to make a little bit of a move back up here. 120, 129. AMC at 1811. Where's Activision? Just chilling here. Oh yeah, you are a non-TD. Yeah, I know. Why are SPY premiums so jacked? It's just the volatility we've seen recently. Affirm Moon Mission. Where were the PayPals? Because PayPal is going to be a sympathy to Affirm. So PayPal crossing down now, but what's Affirm doing? Yeah, Affirm's still looking good. You could get PayPal on or Square. Hold on, let's actually look at this. So PayPal's crossing down a little bit here, but when it bounces off this 200, it looks decent. What are the options on this thing? That's not bad. Hold on. SQ up 8% today. What the hell? I would get PayPal instead. Because PayPal influenced Affirm on their earnings. So if PayPal comes back to life here and runs with it runs with Affirm tomorrow, I mean, maybe I'll strangle it. Strangle PayPal. How much are these? We'll see. Maybe I'll play it tomorrow because I don't really want to hold a lot of stuff overnight. Oil projected by multiple analysts to go between 100 and 125 by the end of July. Jesus Christ. Yeah, oil's coming back up here a little bit. So where's Oxy? Nope, not. It's trying. It's not going a whole lot though. TLT broke the. SPY might come back up here if it's supposed to. If it's gonna move like it's supposed to. Yeah, TLT coming down. SPY getting a little candle on this here. I like it. Sold SPY call it the tip top. No paper hands today. Pops. There you go, buddy. Yeah, TLT coming down. Hold your horses. ATVI. Nothing too crazy. Melvin Capital under investigation. Yeah, I think that I talked about that a couple of days ago. Do you think AMC will hit 24 in the next couple of days? It could. It could also not. Like I have no idea. Oh, GME candle. Amy? Nope. PayPal calls only. Don't strangle it. Affirm's already up so much today that like, I mean, Square is moving with Affirm. Bought Oxy last summer at 23 and bought Gush at 80. Oh, what's Gush at right now? Oh, that's dirty. Let's put Oxy back up here. It's trying. Disney better do good earnings. You're YOLOing. You better be careful. TKLF. It's not doing anything. Neo. Stupid itself. Why do you replace the 24 EMA with the 25 MA? I'm just messing around. Messing around with it. I was looking at some stuff and it looked good. Amy right here, 1813. Not doing too bad. Let's see. You needed Netflix on Disney to happen? It could with Disney Plus. So that's kind of why, actually, here's what I'll do. So Disney is running up. Now, Disney's premium is expensive. What I'm probably going to do on Disney is something wild. So I'll probably get the next week crazy contracts if I'm going to do it. So I'll spend like 80 bucks, $100 on it going into close. I do want to play it. Like I do really want to play Disney. You held my micron calls for 150%, not a paper hand. Big Dave Bulls, good job. I could not do that. GME is getting a candle right here, up 6.3. Amy, 1818. Spy, not really doing a whole lot. What's going on here? ATVI, what's going on with you? Just chilling, not doing a whole lot. Snap running, interesting. Snap, cross, nope. But Snap getting a candle. Is Max Payne still at 18? It's at 17. SV, I have to say thank you. You are the reason I make easily 50 euros a day. 100 are possible as well. Thanks. Please never stop streaming. I won't. Don't worry. I will not be stopping streaming anytime soon. Even after AMC, we're going to be doing this. GME is getting candles right here. I like this. Amy, it's your time to shine here. Come on. Get up there. GME is up 7% right now. AMC is up 10.82. Come on. Yeah, GME is going. BBIG popping. Nice. Iggy's doing, yeah, BBIG's up 17% today. That's nice. Joe Longo, thank you so much for that super chat, buddy. I appreciate that. Opinion on Peloton puts. For me personally, I'm not touching Peloton right now because they are just doing weird stuff. It's kind of a YOLO. You're like, oh, like they came out the other day and just randomly like changed their earnings and people were leaving and the CEO's gone and there's a potential buyout coming. Like it's all like, all right, whatever. Just I don't even want to touch that dumpster fire. It's just there's too many things going on with it. GME, nice couple of candles here. Amy, 1823. I can't wait till AMC hits Uranus. Interesting. That's a funny statement. Let's see, though. All righty, people. So, where's Oxy? OXY. It's trying to come back to life here. Corsair moving would save my strangle. I need a big move in Corsair. Do either Jimmy or AMC have gamma ramps built out? No, not really. Small pop on Biggie. Here comes Oxy back to the upside. Yeah, small one on BB. SoFi crossing down. Interesting. SoFi. I want AMC to get back above 1850. It's at 1822. Spy trying to move a little here. GME up, down, little shark fin. DLT dumping. That's good if we want the SPY to come up. That means people are selling bonds. Yields are going up. This could be a move ahead of this. Okay, hold on. When were the inflation numbers last time? Or what date was last inflation? Was it when did inflation numbers come out last? It wasn't last week, was it? It shouldn't have been last week. When was the last CPI data? Does anybody know? Because then I might make a TLT play for tomorrow based on that and just strangle it. AMC looking to run. Yeah, it looks decent over here. Yeah, no. It's tomorrow morning. I know. Projected 2 weeks ago. Okay. If anybody has the exact date, we can look for a TLT play because TLT moving ahead of CPI data. That's interesting. January. Oh, early January. Okay. So word of the day, strangle. Amy, 1827, starting to pop up a little here. Spy selling off here with TLT. What else did we get? What do I have? What did I get? I don't even know what I have right now. Yeah, when was the last? I know it's tomorrow morning at 8:30, but let me see. All right, Oxy slightly red, ATVI a little red, Neo slightly red. The 12th of January. Okay, thank you. Thank you. The 12th. Where's the 12th? 11th, 12th. Opened at 143.90. High. It didn't move. Okay, so no, probably not touching it. That's interesting. I just wanted to see if TLT moved a lot on CPI. PayPal dumping at almost the 200. Yeah, I mean, we could flip PayPal. Can't do anything on SPY. Amy's trying to make a move up here. I like this. Oxy about to move. I think Oxy's about to come up. I think Oxy's going to come up. Where's oil right now? Last was plus 30. That's coming up. Now it's plus 40 or 0.4. The knowledge and numbers in this chat is a wonderful thing. We try micron running. Dude, I should just hold everything that I buy. I'd be up if I just held everything, I'd be saying so I'd be XRT is not 1,200. I just showed you XRT. Oh, it might be. It actually might be because there's no data. Okay, it might be. You're right. We've seen the XRT data in the past. It might be 1,000. It actually could be. AMC coming back to life here, 1829. Roblox. Roblox. Wow, Roblox with a freaking candle over here. Oh boy, SPY moving back up. AMC 1830. Come on, people. Yeah, also for everybody filtering in, XRT is 1,500% plus. That's dirty. Yeah, for everybody filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. From what you saw, interesting. Halt on what? On Roblox? No, that's not a big enough move. 68 to 69.50. It won't halt, but AMC's at 1830 here. Semiconductor trades, Nvidia earnings next Wednesday. Ooh, we could play the run up. After inflation data tomorrow, we'll look at Roblox is pumping. We'll look at any sort of run up into semiconductor earnings. Micron, yeah, Micron was a dirty play today. That was an awesome cross. Hold on. What the Roblox here? Hold on. Roblox extends gains on NFL packed. Okay, so there's NFL news on Roblox. Can we flip this? Or is it going to be done? There's no cross. It's just a chase. Amy, 1843. Hold on. Amy might get a little pop here. My Micron is up 240%. Must be nice. All right. Yeah, Roblox is pumping here. All right, Roblox. No cross, but it's ripping off some of this news here. This is pumping. Oh, Amy, 1841. GME, 122.91. SPY trying to make its way back up here. Roblox, 1348 on the 4-hour. Oh, it is ripping. What about next week calls for Roblox? Yeah, this thing is exploding right now. I will take 2 of these. Oh, man. Roblox is really ripping right now. I got it. But let's see what happens with it. These are going to be a flip here. Roblox is ripping. Let's see what happens with this. If it comes back down, I'll just take a little bit of a hit, and then we'll just continue to fight another. Ooh, Amy, 1850 right here. Amy looking like it wants to break out here. Roblox coming back to life. SPY coming back up here. Oh, man. Let's see. 1348 rules would dictate you shouldn't have taken that based on the 4-hour. No, it would say yes. It would say yes on the 4-hour. See? Crossing right here on the 4-hour. So it looks good. Oh, man, this is getting hammered. That sucks. That's a shitty one. Roblox chilling here. We getting ankles today. If Amy gets to 20. All right. Don't want to chase Roblox. I probably shouldn't have either. That was bad. All right. I just ditched it for like minus 15%. It's fine. Cankles at 19.99. Yeah, get Roblox off my screen. I don't want to look at this anymore. Oxy, how we doing? Oxy coming back to life. SPY trying to move. ATVI, how's this thing doing? Ooh, trying. Oh, yeah, it's still under the 200. Yes, you're right. After 20, can we quit the ankle thing? If people give it up, yeah, we'll quit the ankle thing. Let's see. Yeah, I ditched it. I don't want it. Screw it. This is stupid. This is dumb. I typed in Starbucks. I don't know. I don't like it. This is dumb. It's flickering too much. Yeah, I know it's going. Am I going to do it again? Man. No, it's not going here. It's all right. It's just it's flickering too much. I would honestly, the put side of this actually looks better. It's up 8% today. Check DWAC. Did it end up going? No. Do not chase Roblox. You want to say nips at 100? Too bad. ATVI, what's going on with this? AMC 1348 on the 4-hour? Yeah, it did. It did. So that's a decent one over here. Spy's trying to make a little bit of a move back up. Just woke up. What's Max Payne this week? 17. Amy 1841. Come on, Activision. I know you want to go. An article about XRT 1,298%. I'll check that out after. Why does Stonko Tracker show shares available to borrow? Because there are shares available to borrow. Ortex only gets their data from 85% of the total like securities lending market. And even then, I don't think that number is accurate at all. I just don't trust it. You're buying puts on Roblox. That's not the worst idea in the world. Toes at 25. Stop. What's the easiest stock to day trade? No. Roblox new day high? No way. New day tomorrow. Micron up 300% and 200%. New day tomorrow. I might just say screw it tomorrow and just I made money on Mara. I'm still green today. If I'm up 50% on an AMC $20 strike for the 25th, would you hold on to it or let it go? I can't answer that, buddy. You got to go with what you think. Just here's how you think about it. If you're okay with that expiring worthless, paper hand. Dude, look at it now. It's back down. Spy is kind of easiest to trade if you see the crosses. Paper hand strikes again. The contracts are down. Look at this. It's back down. Stop. It's down. It's down. ATVI. Let's see. I am going to diamond hand some stuff this week and see what happens. Kathy's buying Roblox. Of course she is. Dustin, thank you so much for the super. SBEA making moves. Ticker change very soon. You got 26 minutes left. Any cross? Crossed earlier today. That's a good one. Oh shit, that's a big one. Sends cross down. You got Roblox calls 5 minutes before you did them at 45%. Come on, man. Sometimes you just hold for a minute or two longer. Right, but you see, here's the thing. You got it way lower than I did. Now, if you buy it on this candle, which is where we found it, it's way down. Like you're screwed on IV. Disney calls up. Oh, yeah, we are going to play Disney today. We are going to play Disney. I think I am going to play Disney today, just for fun. Disney puts and calls are up. Yeah, that's IV running up into close. So we got about 30 minutes left. Let's see here. Amy, 1829. All right, let's see. At 100K, we're going streaking. That's weird. IWM short interest, it's like 52%. Mickey Mouse says, play me. Yeah. Guys, I'll break down the 100% utilization later and just show you why it's like, yeah, could be. We just need to see the cost of borrow go up. Disney up tomorrow? No idea. No clue. That's why I play it both ways. Earnings are a coin flip. Spy moving back up here a little bit. AMC cross on the 1 hour. Cross on the 4 hour too. Zynga earnings today. Let's see how it moves. Oh, what is this? Nah, I don't want to. What's this here, though? Nah, I don't think I'm going to touch that one. 25% up on Roblox. There you go. Disney options are juiced. Yeah, I'm going to do the next week's. That's when I do. So if the options change jacked up, I just go deeper out of the money for next week. And you can survive a little bit better if it moves. Those are gnarly gas ones. Yeah, they're yeah. What's Oxy doing? Selling a little here. But over the last couple of, like, we had a red day on Oxy here. It's been coming down. Hold on. Oh, wait. June or January 12th. Interesting. Let's see what happens with Oxy tomorrow. Alrighty. Ooh, Oxy getting a sell candle over here. Spy moving back up. Where's oil right now? Is oil coming up? Oh, yeah. Oil's pumping. This is bullshit right here. This move, bullshit with oil coming up like that. Twilio earnings is always really, really expensive. Be careful with that. What else do we have? ATVI. Going back to life. Peloton is ripping. I'm not going anywhere near it, Sam. I don't like it. It's just there's too much random stuff going on with it. Amy, 1835. SPY moving up here a little bit too. Vanguard filing for AMC. Oh, man. I don't see it. It's not here. Not on Fintel. No 13F. Nope. Nothing yet on Vanguard. Nothing on BlackRock. So they have a couple of days. Let me look at BlackRock. Yeah, nope. And then Renaissance. Nothing yet on them either. So the big three haven't reported anything yet. So Amy right now popping up a little bit here. SPY moving up. Let's see. ATVI trying to get a little bit jumpy. Oh, GME with some candles over here. I like that. Keith, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Great day. Up 46% on snap calls I took profit on, and up 151% on AMC Weekly. I paper handed my RCL and prog calls for a small loss, but made about 1,000. Keith, there you go, buddy. BlackRock increased position. Sort of on their 13G, it looks like they did, but I'm waiting on their 13F that they're going to file too to see if there's any. Wait, hold on. Maybe Vanguard filed a 13G, which they might have. Yep. Vanguard 13G, 47 million shares. Hold on. Is that an increase or a decrease? 47,190. They sold a little bit. So barely any though, like less than 0.5%. I think they just trimmed a tiny, tiny bit of their AMC position. They're still in it a lot. Activision coming up here. Amy's getting a little bit of a pop. SPY's starting to move up here. Oh boy. You're up 300% on every play I made with 1348. There you go. You're up $1 on Disney. Profit is profit, I guess. I guess so, man. Oxy, what are we looking at here? Trying Neo come back to life. SPY Boom Boom, yeah. Which mod is censoring me? There isn't one SCB share. I see you. Yeah, SPY could come up to the top of this range here. Neo doing all right. ATVI. There it goes. TVX is going. Yeah, Chevron looks good. Oxy. Nah, Oxy doesn't want to do it right now, which is fine. Let's see what happens tomorrow. AMC 1855. Here we go. We're getting a little bit of a pump here. Oh, DWAC. Yeah, we were talking about DWAC a little while ago. Nothing on DWAC. So Amy at 1855. SPY's coming up here a little bit too. Activision. What's this one saying? Activision getting a nice little pump here. Boom. Yeah, AMC is pumping right now. Here we go. Come on. Yeah. AMC 1853. Let's see if the volume starts to step up here on Amy. Little 5-minute MACD cross. Watch that 1872, the previous day high. SPY's making a nice little run here. Activision's doing all right. GME, chance of reclaiming the 200 EMA at 127. Yeah, on the 4-hour, right? I have it at 127.10 on the 4-hour. GME's coming up here. Oh, this is nice. Disney pumping. Yeah, I don't want to touch anything until earnings. What does Disney do? Has it moved a lot? Yeah, Disney got 174 to 1. That's big. Disney can move. Yeah, Disney can move a lot. 126 to 140. Yeah, Disney's a mover. So this one could be good on Disney, especially with what we've seen out of earnings this year so far. Amy's getting some candles over here, people. Here we go. What's minimum pain this week? Whatever is higher than the furthest out option. Minimum pain. Snap keeps going. There you go. GME coming up. Oh, there it is. ATVI chilling. Neo, what are we looking at over here? 2601, not bad. Amy, 8. Oh, here we go. We're about 12 cents away. Nvidia high of the day any second. There you go. And Disney gonna hit all-time high at 165. That'd be pretty sweet. What is the all-time high on Disney? What's the 52 week? Oh, this is Neo. That's kind of where I want it. No, 52-week high in Disney's 203. If we break 1872, we can see 20 easy. Yeah, somebody was saying 1871 was like a key level, and we hit 1872 and then just came back down. SPY looking all right here. Disney coming up. Let's see. Aunt Kathy's farts. Thank you for the super. BlackRock now owns 8% of AMC per Fintel. Yes, that's their 13G filing. BlackRock owns 8.3. Vanguard owns 9.16, according to their 13G filings. Thank you for that super. I appreciate that. All righty. Shout out to you and your other content. I really enjoy your live stream. Thank you. I appreciate that, bud. Missed you this morning. Did you stream? Yeah, we were on this morning. I stream every day. Amy coming up here again. What's going on here? Activision. Being an GME coming up here. Oxy, what's going on with the oil stuff? Oxy, wow. Oxy getting some candles to the downside here. DWAC cross soon? Maybe. Get people watching. Yeah, if you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream too, just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much. I think we're going to definitely play some Disney. I know where I want to go with these. BBIG Rockets. Ooh. Yeah, BBIG looking strong. All right. Look at metamaterials. There's no cross though. We looked at it a little earlier. No cross. No cross today on metamaterials. So we got about 25 minutes left here. Amy's looking to get that previous day high over here, which would be sweet. Let's see. Up 25% on the Roblox call you just bought. There you go. That 1348 bet across on the floor. It already did. It did earlier today. So it crossed pretty nicely today earlier. I want to see it above the 200. That would be sick. Who's acting funky? Metamaterials coming up. Wait, if Zynga reports good earnings, couldn't Activision get a pump off that? Like AMC 13% up. There we go. We're going to have two 10% days in a row. There we go. 90% on Disney. There you go. Riot pushing 20. God damn. Oh, my paper hands. GME new day high. Yep. GME is, wait, did it? Yep. GME had a new day high over here. This is awesome. Apple acting funky. Roblox new high. Thanks. I'm going to have to figure out a way to fix that. BBIG. Yeah, BBIG is ripping right now. Let's see. Hold on. Where's this on the 4 hour? Did it cross? Yeah, just crossed above the 200. All right, here's what we're going to do. BBIG looks good. All righty. So Biggie's pumping up here pretty solid. SPY is coming up pretty big here. Oh, shoot. Twitter reports in the morning. Oh, okay. Hold on. What's Twitter? I forgot about that. Good call on this. So Twitter is up 4.5% right now. Hold on. Let's check and see what Twitter does on earnings. It moves, I believe. Yeah, Twitter right here. Twitter gap down. What is this? 62.54. That's pretty big. This one's a dud. This one's a big gap down. This one's a decent one, up 59 to 60. All right. So Twitter, Disney and Twitter will probably play just for funsies. But okay. So here's the deal with Twitter earnings. You have to get them before close today, or else you're not going to get them. Apparently 150% on Micron was paper handing. Oh, it might. That sucked. All right, let's see. Activision over here. ATVI, not doing a whole lot. Ooh, 1348 cross above here. Nice gap up here coming around. That's on the Microsoft stuff. So, where's Neo? Neo, chilling. All right, so here's what we're going to do. So we can take our SPY options till 4:15 as long as they don't expire that day. You can do it if they expire that day too. Twitter shows after hours tomorrow. Twitter's pre-market tomorrow, I believe. Let me look. I'll look at it again because I think they moved it. February 10th at 8 a.m. So let me check Twitter really quick. I kind of want the. Oh my God. They're so expensive. All right, we'll do that. I'll go a crazy one on Twitter just for fun. See what happens. Hope Twitter repeats of Facebook. I don't know on Twitter. I'll do Twitter and Disney. I'm gonna go really small on both of them. Just and if one hits, awesome. If it doesn't, cool. Qualcomm is Qualcomm going? You got Twitter yesterday. Twitter's good. Okay. Amy, 1852, looking good. Spy peeked its head out of the end of this range right here and got knocked right back down. Where's Activision? Genser says T1 coming, and that's bullshit. In March of 2024, that's nonsense. STV, I don't do pre-market earnings. STV, I'm gonna play Twitter. I might like Twitter. Think about it. Facebook and Snap moved huge, and Twitter's the shitty one. BBIG new high. Got next week calls on BBIG just for fun. Yeah, BBIG breakout. Hey Vix, what's up, Mart? How you doing? Alrighty, let's see. All right, 340. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get this. We got one here, and then I need this. All right there. I'm playing for a black swan. All right, and then Disney. Disney's selling off now. What about this week's on Disney? Because it reports after hours today. Let me think about this. You get 2 days. It would have to shoot in the money. You'd have to play this. What's it at now? 146. Or I'd have to do this. Oh, I'm fine with that. Okay. So this is what I'm gonna do on Disney. I'm spending a little bit more on Disney. They're just so expensive. All right, I'm getting that. And then I'm gonna get I'm going with the next week. I don't want both. I want calls now. What is it at here? 140. All right. I want it right there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, that's what it was. Okay, that makes sense. All right. I've gotten both the earnings plays. If they hit, they hit. If they die, they die. That's how earnings work. Don't go chasing into these earnings plays. AMC buy side imbalance after hours. Interesting. All right. So I got the earnings plays, playing it both ways as usual. Let's see what happens. Holding some stuff overnight just for fun. Got a strangle on Twitter. Yeah, that's the thing. Like these companies can move a lot. For both of them, I went for next week just because I think that these could move. Nvidia calls for next week. Thoughts? I'm waiting till after the inflation data tomorrow to do anything. Oxy check. It's probably terrible. Yeah, Oxy. It's kind of hanging right here. I don't know. I'm gonna hold those into tomorrow and see what happens off the inflation data. Yeah, Spy getting a sell candle over here. Let's see. Minimum pain is me not going to parties in high school. Interesting. Show the people your ankle hickey. Well, I don't have one of those. Earnings is 250-50. That's why you have to play it both ways. AMC going to gap tomorrow? It'd be nice if it did. We're at 1854 right now. That's a solid move. If we get back to 20, that would be awesome. Okay. Can I do an Ortex on Amy at the end of the day? Yes. I can do it at the end of the day. Yes. If Uber has decent earnings, do you think DoorDash will rip? No. I think Lyft will rip. Twitter to 1,000 tomorrow? That's silly. Alrighty. Yeah. If you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream on your way in. We are having some fun today. So I'll play some earnings, have some fun with it. I mean, we hit the Facebook huge. We hit a huge Facebook one. And let's see if we can hit a Twitter or a Disney. I'm all set up for it. If one of them moves big, we'll be chilling. Anyone see any tweets from Gasparino today? No. How's Prague doing? Selling off a little bit here. How's Sens? and sold off to the 200 and bounced right back up. That's not the worst thing though. Amy's at 1856. DraftKings cross on the 4 hours. You gonna be on for earnings? I'll stay on for like 5 minutes to see if we get one. But there, some of these might just come out a little bit later. So let's see. Gee, I got a lot of things out there right now. Something's gotta hit. Something's gotta hit. All righty. I gotta hit something, or else we're gonna be struggling. Just kidding. I'll be fine. 1860 on Amy. Here we go, people. Disney earnings is on CNBC. Well, it's not yet. You should buy some AMC 1850 YOLOs. Why would I do that? What do I use to trade options? Weeble. Alrighty, so Sense coming back up. Spy trying to move back up here a little bit. ATVI. I think that could be a little bit of a hitter here. Whoa, Activision selling off here. ATVI selling off. Amy coming up though. Ho. Throwing darts at a board? No. Let's see. GME coming up. Amy, 1860. We're about 12 cents away here. My thoughts on payment for order flow? That's like asking somebody how they feel after their relatives have been killed. Obviously, I don't like it. Like, all right, 1860 on AMC here. Damn it, we go to 19 already. Vanguard owns 47 million now. I just saw their 13G. Well, no, they've had okay, so they own 47 million before. So they used to own 47.19 million. Now they own 47.08 million. So they sold a couple of shares. You had to ask why. Everybody knows at this point, buddy. Sorry for being an asshole. I apologize. Amy coming up here. Come on. Come on. Neo. It's Neo looking like. GME coming up. Amy's coming up good. That was a crazy comparison. It's true. What up, SCB? What's up, White? How you doing, buddy? You bought 50 GME, AMC Korea, and 200 AMC. There you go, bud. 1863 on Amy over here. Looking solid. Spy trying to come up here. It's all good. I apologize. That was asshole of me. All righty. CPI did it Eastern time and what time? 8:30 in the morning. Amy wants it, dude. Amy wants to go. Disney back over 147. Did it? My Disney puts and calls are green. I love that. To the moon. Yep. Here we go. Let's see. Mr. Norway, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that. Can you please check the chart in Ortex for Lebu? Severely oversold. Yeah, that's like the biotech ETF, isn't it? It's like the 3 times levered biotech. Yeah, this thing's coming back up. Amy's coming up here. I'll check the Ortex on it. I don't know what we're gonna get. Tim, thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that, guys. I really thank you. Let's see. Lebu. What do we got over here? 3.22% estimated short interest, 11% utilization. No shares borrowed on it today, so nothing too wild on that. Amy, hold on. 13 minutes to go, and it looks like it wants to approach that previous day high. GME, come on. It looks like it wants it. Here we go. Rockets and basketballs. There we go. How do you feel about stubbing your toe while hungover? Shitty. They're going to talk about AMC on CNBC in the next 15 minutes. I mean, I don't really want them to do that. Screw them. They're going to say some bullshit. AMC 1868, 69. Come on. Come on. Need a little bit more for that new day high. 1872. I do want to see that. I do want to see that. Apple Cross. Come on, Amy. The new guy. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. If AA and team would buy shares, would that be a good push for the stock? Yes. Them buying shares would be very good. 1869. Come on. We're almost at 70. Look at this. It needs set. It's right there. It is so close to breaking this previous day high. Spy's coming up here. Activision with a little pop. So close. So close. Come on. Come on, people. We can do it. We can freaking do it, everybody. Are they covering right now? No. They might be covering some shit. Check my Twitter DM. Okay. What is that real? No, that's fake. That's fake. Stephanie, that's fake. That's like guaranteed fake. There's no way. Activision, come on. Amy, new day high. Here we go. Come on. Let's get a pump. Let's go to 19. Come on. We just hit that previous day high, 1874. Come on. Let's see the volume come back in here. Here we go. Come on. Let's go, people. Amy getting up there. I like it. Spy trying to come up here too. Oh, Activision. Cool. GME. It's close to that previous day. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. New day high, 1877. Here we go. Nicely toxic. Thank you so much for the super. Been at work all day, but when I open my phone, I see a post about dark pools banned. Legit or no? Not legit. They're not banning dark pools. Amy is trying here. Let's see. 1880. Come on. Let's get that. Oh, here it goes. Let's see if we hit Don Julio 1942 today. That would be fun. GME coming up. Activision coming up. Spies coming up. Everything's starting to make a move up right now. This is pretty fun. What are these Activisions up right now? They're not. That's weird. But, you know, you got to kind of deal with it, right? Even though I bought the freaking Activisions down here and now it's up here, it's stupid. I wouldn't be surprised if this goes to 19. I would not be surprised at all. Here we go. Come on, 1883 here. Come on, let's get some. Also, for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. I might be the only one like streaming AMC directly right now. So if people want a place to go see it, make sure we have a spot to go. Space Monkey, thank you so much for the super. I played Disney put 140 in a call 146 for next week. Did I do it right? What's Disney at? 140, 146. I mean, you're more you have an in the money call and an out of the money put. That's interesting. I wouldn't have done that. I would have gone out of the money on both sides unless you got it earlier. That's the problem with getting it earlier. You're going to be wonky on the move. 1901, 1886 is the high. We're at 1879 right now. Spies moving back down. Come on. Ankles incoming. We might. 19 easy. Let's see if the buyers are going to step back up. We got 9 minutes to go, people. We are up 14.36% right now. GME kind of coming down a little bit here. Disney starting to move up. Volume cranking. What's the volume today? 70 million. There we go. There we go. 1881. This is looking solid, everybody. Come on, let's go. Alrighty. Alrighty here. 1884 right here. Would love to see an after hours kaboom. Me too. Wake up to $20. That would be sweet, man. That would be really sweet. Spy just kind of flickering here. We do have inflation numbers tomorrow, so that could weigh things down a little bit. We are 4, 5 cents, 6 cents away from the not all time. Sorry, previous day high over here. Oops, fat finger 70.31. That would be wild. SCV should do play-by-play on sports or esports. That would be pretty sweet. Make the chat colorful, dude. Here we go. Come on, I would love to see 19 right now. Come on, affirm. It's tomorrow after hours. Maybe we'll play that. Yeah, 70 million in volume right now. That's insane. After hours will explode. It might, man. My break-even price is about 75% away, but getting closer. Dumb retrader. You're trading the deep out of the money ones. I think our next major run would be an after hours. Just a feeling. Yeah, it could be, but I mean, we'll still see it continue in the market hours. Or we'll see that price reflected on the if you're trading options, you want it to see the increase in price when you can sell them. 1885 right now. We are 1 penny away from the previous day high. Come on, we can do it. Let's. If we break this, we could shoot right to 19 right here. So we're at. Here it is. Here it is. Here it comes. 1888 new day high. 7 minutes to go. We have Spy trying to make a little bit of a move. Disney coming up. Where's Activision right here? Nope. Oxy. What's up with Oxy over here? Oh, Oxy coming up a little here. 1888. Here we go. Come on, we can do it. So close to 19. I know. We are so close to 19 here, people. Come on. Green on my Disney calls and puts. Yeah, that's what happens before earnings. 218% on an AMC call, 160% on a next week call. You got the profit. You might want to take some off the table. But again, if you're fine with holding that through, run it. 1889 new day high on AMC over here. Come on, people. My face is glued to my phone. There we go. Come on. Come on, AMC. Let's go. Yeah, for already filtering in. Oh, here we go. Space Monkey. Thank you so much for the super. Teach me, please. It's my first time. 140 put, 146 call. Why both out of the money? So, no. You buy it like the out of the money put and the out of the money call. That's what I do for it. So you have an in the money call and the out of the money put right now on Disney. All right, Oxy coming up here. Spy making a little bit of a move. Where's Neo? Neo running. Here we go. ATVI. Running. Amy, come on. Let's get to that 19. We got 6 minutes to go, everybody. What, 100 more AMC, says Sean. There you go, buddy. I think tomorrow's going to be a red day for them calls. It could be. It could be. Let's go. All right, it's coming up. It's coming up. It's 1 penny away from the previous day high. Come on. Yeah, Disney right now, it doesn't matter what Disney does right now. It matters what it does in the after hours and then pre-market tomorrow. Let's see. Bought both my Disney out of the money, but the call's in the money now. That's why I buy them at the end of the day. So it doesn't mess with my range. Battle for 1901. I mean, we haven't gotten up there yet. We got 5 minutes to go. Let's see if the buyers are going to step back in. But again, 1348 cross, it opened back here and then whoop right up. So let's see. Nicely Toxic. Thank you so much for the super. I knew Ban Dark Bull was too good to be true. Yeah, it kind of is. AMC, GME, get rich or die buying, says the Subi Sickness. There you go, buddy. All right, people. Let's see. Come on, Amy. 1888. Let's see if the buyers are going to step back up here. They're fighting on this candle. They're fighting. NVIDIA running. Yep. Come on. 1886, 87. Come on. We're getting up there. Disney and Twitter are going to miss. Disney's all about the subs and extras. That's what I'm saying on Disney. I think Disney could pull a Facebook or Netflix. All right, 1889. We're at that previous day high. Let's see if we can get 1890 right here. Oh, we're close. We're close. 1888. Oh, there it is. 1890, new day high. 15% in the green today. There we freaking go, people. There we go. Come on. Let's get to 19. Let's get up there. Yeah, Uber also has earnings. I'm not touching it, though. I do have exposure on Lyft for next week, so we'll see what happens with that. Uber, yeah. Buy now or regret tomorrow, says Apes R Us. I don't know, man. Here we go. It's looking spicy. It's looking spicy. Come on. 1919. All right. We're still at 1890. We need the buyers to step back up. I don't know if they're going to do it. We're up 15% on the day. Oh, there it is. There it is. 1892 new day high. We are slowly making our way up to 19 here, people. Where are the shills? I don't know. I want my boys back in here. Full screen AMC. Fine. Here we go. Full screen in AMC right now. 1891. Here we go, everybody. I like that request. I like that request. Full screen AMC. You want the 1 minute candle too for some extra excitement? Wow, there's so many more of them. Actually, I like the 5 minute a lot better. It looks prettier. Amy is playing with us. Yeah, they're fighting this right now. They're fighting it. Oh, here we go. 92. We got 3 minutes to go, people. 93, new day high. Here it comes. 94. Here she comes. Here, 95. Can we get some 19, please? Come on. Come on. Let's see if she pumps here. 96. 95. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. 95. Oh, it's so close. It is so freaking close. Push to 19. Let's go. Come on, 19. What's 97? I don't understand that. Uber calls printing. There you go. Damn. You guys are flying in the chat right now. Chat is flying. Here we go. 1893 right now. Woo. Oh, hold on. Do we actually need to let it go? Uh-oh. I think we need to sing some Frozen right here. We got 2 minutes left. Ready? Let it go. All right. Come on. If that works and we push to 19, I might have to do it again. All right. We're at, it didn't work. 1888. They're attacking it right here. The Frozen singing did not work. All right. Here we go. Chat is flying right now. How many people? Oh my God. We got like 3,200 of you in here. That's wild. Of 500 for the day. There you go, buddy. Terrible. It always is. It always is. This should drive some FOMO. It's possible. It's possible. Sing again. Rant time. I don't know. It's getting close. 14. We're basically up 15% on the day. Oh, baby. Oh, Amy, come on. Let's get that 19. We got 2 minutes left to go. Oh my God. Hit the like. Yeah, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on your way. It just helps out with the algorithm. Come on, Amy. Let's go. Stay for after hours. I'll stay a little bit. I'll stay for a little while in after hours. Oh, here, come on. We got less than a minute to go. The buyers look like they want to come back in on this thing. 1892. Come on. Come on. Lou has to be buying. That's funny. Come on. Shorts are fighting. Everybody's oh, here it is. Here it is. 97, 98. Less than a minute to go. Let's see if we can crack that 19. 1898 is the previous day high here. We're at 1896, 97 right now. Oh, here it goes. It's about to do it. We are about to flash above 19. Let's see if it holds. I think the buyers are going to push this thing right above 19, right at close. Let's see if it can hold. We are flickering right now. 1899 is the previous day high. Let's see if we're going to get it here. Come on. Less than a minute to go. Let's see if we got it. Let's see if we got it. Do we have it in us? I think there's going to be a big boy buyer coming in at the last second like we usually see. They are timing this thing really down to the wire here. We're going to, ding, ding, ding. Hold on. It does take some time to update sometimes. What did we close at? It still says open. Let me refresh it really quickly. Is that a 19 close? It says 1897, but we see this little candle at 19. So we got a little bit of wildness over here. So hold on. Let me get some more charts up over here. We'll get Disney now. Disney. Oh, hold on. Disney flickering around in the after hours here. We got SPY making a little bit of a move probably as well. Disney could move the market. And then let's see what GME ended at the day as well. Ooh. GME ended at 124.38. AMC ended the day at 1897. It was 18,99999. Was it really? All right, people, let's play the game of what did AMC close at today? Woo, you put it in order for 19. There you go. All right, I don't think Apple's earnings are out yet. Oh, hold on. I mean, sorry, Disney. Nothing on Disney yet, but it's popping after hours a little bit. Let's see what happens. Disney's moving, but things do this in the after hours, so we'll see what happens. I'm just saying 19, screw it. Not close enough. All right, so what did we get? This candle, when it closed, it shot to 19, but it didn't close at 19. 1897. Are we going to have to play the game again? What did AMC close at today? All right. AC on Robinhood hit 19. They're screwed. SCBI got screwed. Merit closed at 28.99. No in the money swings for today. You're fine. That was fun, people. Yeah, so if you guys are thinking about leaving, we might stay on a little bit for earnings just to kind of see what happens in the after hours. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way out. And you guys can see a lot of people are really printing with 1348. So if you guys do want to learn the strategy, make sure you join the free Discord, the free part of the Discord linked in the top of the chat. It doesn't hurt you to just join and learn the strategy and make money. If you want to get the premium, you can. It's going to give you alerts on the crosses on about 350 stocks in the market. So it's very, very, very helpful. But we do want to see all you guys making money. Everybody's doing it in the chat every single day on the 1348. 1348 is the way. Yep. So make sure you guys join the free part, learn about the strategy. And then if you want to join premium, you can. You don't have to if you don't want to. Just learn the strategy and make that money. But we would love to have you in there. The premium chats are always really fun. And for all the premium members, we also have me, TMI, and Gabe doing 2 private live streams a week. Just for all the members in there. So if you guys want to be a part of that, you can. So let's see. Rip Disney. I don't think we have numbers yet. Do we have numbers yet on Disney? No numbers on Disney. I don't see anything yet. When is Disney due? Does anybody know? So it's down a little bit in after hours. iRobot reported. Interesting. Yeah, Disney's just flickering around right here. So nothing yet on Disney. Let's wait 2 minutes and see if Disney reports. Let's see. Yeah, I don't see any numbers on it yet. It's not, it popped too though. So it's only down 0.5%-ish. Twitter reports pre-market tomorrow. Oh, they get the numbers out at 4:30, or is that when the call is? Moo AMC initial margin 170%, maintenance margin 150%, short rate 4.09, short pool remaining 950K. Exactly. So there are shares available to loan out. Okay. Let's see here. Disney flickering around. That's when the call is. Okay, so if that's when the call is, then it's coming out most likely in 2 minutes. Oh, AMC Ortex, please. Yeah. So I'm still up in the air about this 100% utilization stuff. It doesn't make sense with what the cost to borrow is. We're going to go over that in the video tonight. So it's saying 100% utilization right here, 1.3% average cost to borrow, 21.18% estimated short interest, 1.25 million shares borrowed net today. Let's see. My AMC 50s aren't printing yet. Chad Barton, thank you for becoming a member, man. I really, really appreciate that. Shout out to all the members of the channel. Thank you for all you guys joining. I really appreciate that. We needed this today. Yes, we did. 1898 on Trading 212. What do we end here? 1894. So the Weeble moved it around a little bit. Loving the energy. Seems like old times. This is always what my energy is like. Horses. There we go. All right. So we got less than a minute to go potentially for Disney. So let's see what happens with it. Oxy, hold on. What did Oxy do at the end? Oh, there we go. There we go on Oxy. I like to see that. What did the Oxy? So the Oxys ended slightly down. Oh, wait, that's Oxy. That's not Disney. All right, hold on. Uber beat. Hold on. So Uber earnings are today. So if you guys wanted to play Uber, so Uber beat earnings. I don't see anything on Disney. They beat revenue. I don't know what their other numbers are. Oh, hold on. Disney's out. Disney's out and it's pumping. Disney's pumping right now. Hold on. What are the Disney numbers? I don't see it yet. I'm about to get. All right. Disney's up 7% in the after hours right now. Hold your horses. This could be good. This could. All right. Walt Disney. All right. I got the notice right here. Disney. 21.82 billion revenue, estimated 20.85 billion. Ooh. Wow. Disney Q1 parks experiences 7.2 billion in revenue, and the estimate was 6 billion. 11 million Disney Plus subs added in Q1. Oh boy. Disney could go boom off of this. So what are the strikes that I have? So I think my Disney strikes are still going to be way out unless we have some really, really good news. Yeah. So my Disney strikes are going to be way out unless we see some big moves. But Disney is pumping. This could get a little interesting. I don't know what their EPS is yet. ESPN Plus subscribers. Wow, 21.3 million versus 18.8 million estimate. Disney could go. Uber beat. Yeah, but what's it doing? Oh, Uber coming up too. So Lyft, what's Lyft doing in the after hours? That's what I want to know. Lyft is up 1.5, coming up with Uber a little bit. Twilio just reported. So let's see what's going on with Twilio over here. Whoa, Twilio up 14% here. Damn. Yeah, Uber popped. So Uber's up a decent amount. Uber's up 5, looking good. Disney, what's up with Disney over here? So Disney's up. Oh, here it goes. Disney's up about 9%. This might go nutty. Disney 160. Yeah, Disney's at 160. My calls are still going to be a little bit out. You bought 4 Disney calls and sold 1, 3 free money. There you go. Yeah, I think I have like the 172.50 for Disney, but for next week. So if Disney really pumps, those could be good. Where's Oxy in the after hours again? Oxy. Did Zynga report yet? No. ATVI, what's that doing in the after hours? Flat. Amy's at 1893 in the after hours right here. Disney. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. So Disney, Uber. How's Uber doing over here? Ooh, 4%. That's not bad. Disney, big beat though. That's a big beat on Disney. So you have a 165 call for Disney for this week. That might be all right. You got Disney 160 calls on Monday. Oh, those are going to print. All right. So Disney 160.78 is the high in the after hours. Now this thing could go. Your Disney calls are 162. There you go. Yeah, Disney was good. Oh, here it goes. 161. Disney's ripping. Disney's ripping. Watch tomorrow. Uber gonna go ham. You know, I held my call. There you go. Hopefully that'll help out my lifts. 160, 150 on Disney. There we go. That could hit. That honestly could be a really good hit on Disney. I'm gonna have to wait and see what happens in the morning, but that could be all right. Sonos. So I don't know. I think that's a good one. You got to check out the short interest or XRT. Yeah, I've seen it a couple of times. Sonos. Disney's pumping, man. All right. Sonos. Sonos right here. Up 9. That's not bad. So Spy's moving up a little bit. Disney's not really moving it though. So what's Disney at now? And it's selling off a little bit here. I think Disney has the potential to have Uber, Disney, Twitter. Twitter reports tomorrow morning, so we'll be on the lookout for that one. Lyft, no way, no way is Lyft flying. No, Lyft is up 1% in the after hours. Come on, don't get my hopes up. Don't get my hopes up like that. Yeah, Lyft is coming up. Uber up 6. Yeah, that's not bad. Disney, what are we looking at over here? Yeah, Disney, we gotta wait till the conference call. They could say some good stuff in their call to pump it up. But we'll see what happens with that. That is Twilio's up 20%. Ooh, that's dirty. That's dirty. You got Twilio. There you go. All right, guys. That is going to wrap up the stream for today. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way out, and make sure you join the free part of the Discord too. Just learn the strategy if you do want to learn how to really trade options and have a better view of the market. Make sure you check that out. I'll be in there a little bit later tonight, and then we have those private live streams on Sunday night and Monday nights as well. But other than that, guys, that was pretty fun. I'll be on live tomorrow, 8:30 in the morning. Other than that, we do have a video coming out at 7:15 Eastern tonight. We're going to be talking about all the crazy stuff that happened today. So make sure you guys have your notifications turned on for my channel so you get notified when these videos post. YouTube's been playing around, so make sure you guys have those notifications turned on. Helps out a whole lot. So yeah, thank you guys so much. I will see you guys tonight in the video and then tomorrow morning. Other than that, peace.